Let's go. Spilling. Looks like an interesting bottom. 740. Good morning, good morning. Did you stretch this morning? Yeah. Always stretching. Sheesh. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Trevor, Victoria. Good morning, Peter. Grunting, good morning. Jasmine, good morning, Virus. And Thrust. Good morning. Good morning, Audio. Next, GME. Sesh. Good morning, Jimmy. Good morning. G-Wave. Yeah, and SNOA. Yep. Brett, good morning. I'm just catching up to these comments. MMV, Amando, Christopher, good morning. Joe, good morning. Louis, good morning. Cover Florida, good morning. Do you have a Discord link, Cover? Let me know if you do. USA, good morning. Dave, good morning. Doge, big week. Monies. Lena, good morning. Hacienda, good morning. Good morning, Richard. No trading for you today. Waiting for your funds to settle. Okay. Cash account. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, FFIE's done well. Right. It again, like that dip on Friday was to be expected because it was the weekend. But the fact that we kind of closed above $1 and stayed above $1 was a good sign. So let's see if we can continue today. Right. We're playing with the high for now in pre-market. I'm not going to count that. The high for pre-market is $2.16. So let's see if we can get back above $2, consolidate, and then push for 220 again. Alrighty. Alrighty. Cool. And then if that goes, obviously Crown is going to go as well. MTC has done really well this morning. It usually goes for these crazy runs down and then crashes, right? So that thing just all of a sudden went from $7 almost to $16 and then dipped back to 10. So like it's all over the place usually, right? Let's see if they can find a way to consolidate around like $9.70 ish above the 50 EMA and then bounce. GTBP. This one's also done really well, right? 145%. So I had these circles on the chart just because it kind of showed, what we've been talking about the whole time, right? Like breakouts, double tops, retest, right? This chart played out really well. So if you played this, congratulations. Alrighty. There's a little bit of support at $7.40, so that's not too bad. How do I feel about TANH? I'll take a look. I would take a look ski. Yeah, there are quite a few names to get through this morning, so yeah. How do I set a limit order for it? Is it still a stop? No, limit will sell depending what you selected. It will either sell your position at that price you said, or buy the position at the price you said. That's for the limit. Thank you, Aiden. Thank you. I need to do better. Thank you. Yeah. Good morning, JR. Felix. Good morning, Calvin. Good morning. I need that link when you can. Okay, sounds good. Cover. I'll send you a link. My link for the interview of the Kraken. Good morning, Nicholas. Overview of the overview. Juno. Anyways, good morning, everybody. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of names this morning. Yeah, SCPX. Edible is also kind of pushing now, right? EDBL. Edible. So that one's up 37% into the open. SCPX. Not too bad. Ooh. 80% there for that penny stock. That was a good breakout too, actually. Yeah, that was a really good breakout. I need to mute my Discord. So otherwise, it's going to be making the beeping all day today. All day today. Yeah, TANH. Yeah, I'll take a look. Are you in a position, Grunting? Or are you just kind of watching for now? I know, I always forget. Oh, Kraken means, crown? Okay. I'll take a look. Cool. Good morning, Curtis. Good morning, everybody. CRKN. You could have just called it crown, instead of Kraken. Anyways, crown doesn't look too bad. Right, obviously, most of last week, the Kraken followed FFIE, right? So as FFIE slowly creeps up, Crown seems like it wants to follow. For now, you have a little bit of resistance. It's almost like the third time we failed at 25 cents, which is, sometimes to be expected when it's a round number like that. So yeah, 25 cents for resistance. We do seem to be holding a little bit of an uptrend that is bouncing off 23 cents. So 25 for resistance, and then for support, you have 23, and then you have 21 for your support levels. It doesn't look bad, but it's going to need FFIE to break out and go boom, though. Right? So most of these other penny stocks are kind of dependent on what happens with this one. FFIE seems to be okay for now. We have a lot of time before the market opens, so we should have a whole bunch of directions. Malcolm, morning. Good morning. Uh, let's see. What wanted? Hmm. There you go. Perfect. Monty, good morning. Adash, good morning. Uh, la 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 la. I'm going to listen to you this time. Yeah, I mean, yeah, NBY looks good. I'm not saying that I don't care about short interest, Christian, but honestly, I don't care. You know what I mean? Like, it's never led me anywhere good. Short interest, unless I was in before people found out that it was highly shorted, and then I made money. You know what I mean? So, NBY, looks interesting. Sonoma was the other one too, wasn't it? Sonoma, what is that doing? Yeah, MMB, $1.17. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we bounced off a demand zone around $1.10. 120 seems to be acting as resistance for now, Monty. So something to keep in mind, an eye on. Let me refresh this list one more time here. This is the gainers list for the day. This one's a bit delayed. The one in Discord isn't delayed. This one's delayed though, right? So obviously we've talked about GTBP already in Discord. MMV had some news this morning. That thing popped. FFIE we know, and then the other names again. There's nothing new on this list that we haven't looked at or talked about already in Discord. So blah 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 blah. Is GME safe this week? No such thing as safe, but if GME can stay above $20, then maybe, maybe. There you go. Richard, what's your position in BNE BNED? What's your position? Let me know. So cover says I made $1,000 last week listening. I'm all ears. Let's go. Yeah, let me get you a link to join us in Discord. So yeah, this is for you, cover Florida. That yellow link at the bottom of the chat, that's yours. Alrighty. So GREE just had some news. GREE Bio presents positive preclinical data demonstrating lead program. Blah 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 blah. Uh, Interesting. Oh yeah, MMV just had a really nice pop above $1.20. Interesting. Cool. I'll come back to this though. I just want to see what GRI is doing, just because it's a penny stock. Mm, yeah, usually if the news is amazing, sometimes I will FOMO into the news. But most of the time, when the news is like almost like in the middle, you don't really know what it means. You're better off waiting for that thing to go for the first pop on its own, and then dip, and then go for the second one, and then you're interested. Right. So nothing there for now. Edible is selling off. 1870. Uh, wait a minute. Yep. So this one's finding a little bit of resistance here. A little bit of resistance there. Since Charles, what's your question? What's your position? Again, if you have a question, just don't hesitate to give me the details, and I will take a look. So if you're playing or watching GTBP, that thing really does have a bit of a base at $7.40. So if it can stay above that level, that's not too bad. FFIE, again, I like that it's consolidating above $1.90. We're going to need to break back above $2 and consolidate, and then push down. Alrighty. I think if you look at all these names, honestly, you can see like little scalps all over the place, but there's really nothing that stands out yet as the main play. You know, nothing that really stands out yet as like, okay, this is our play for the day. Everything, it just kind of seems like, this could be it, that could be it. Um, Nivaldo, it's at resistance. SCPX. Alrighty. SCPX. I think that's what you're referring to. So you can kind of see how we've had that nice little push to like 1850, 1870, right? And we're just kind of stalling there for now. It's going to need to break above that level. And if it does, then you're looking for 20 cents for your next resistance. If we fail, we break below 1650, then you're looking for that breakout double top at 1466-ish. Alrighty. Ayo, Joe, good morning. Good morning. Looking to buy since you're looking for Sint as a Sint. Yeah, Sint. I think Musty might have posted Sint this morning in Discord. Actually, looking to is that what you posted, Musty? Maybe. Let me quickly look at Sint on the daily here. There's nothing to see there. La 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 la. I just want to see what this thing did on Friday. Yeah, not a whole lot. And then you have a double top at almost 11 cents. So if I was looking for position in this, I'd almost be waiting for that thing to break above 11 cents on its own. You know what I mean? So yeah, so you can kind of see this early double top in pre-market, right? So right there, and then look at where we're at now. So we're kind of stalling around that same area. So you don't want to buy that right there, and then it drops like it did earlier, right? So 11 cents, and then once we break above that, it's not too far. You're looking for 12 cents for your next resistance. Alrighty. MTC slowly curling there still, holding that 50 EMA. GTBP back retesting $7.40. FFIE, nice. We almost want FFIE to be the stock again, Yeah, it's moving back up. I do like that consolidation, right? Pop, dip, consolidate. Really important, right? So just so we're not guessing where we think it's going to bounce at. You thought it was dead? No, I think, again, like I said, people only took profits because it was Friday. People took profits because it was Friday. You know, how much is it, Charles? So it depends. So click the link at the bottom of the chat. So if you want to become a member, just click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. It's one of the three levels. So Discord, Community, Legend, or Gold. So just look at the it's going to tell you what it offers on the three different levels. Just don't get the level that says sold out, and you should be okay. Alrighty. Yeah, let's see if we can uh, see if we can crush it today. It's Monday morning, guys. We're really not gonna rush into anything. You know what I mean? There are a few names looking good this morning. So green looks like it popped again. NBY, which has been mentioned a few times already. Oh wow, that thing really popped. That thing said, "Hey, look at me, I'm the captain now." Right? That thing really, really popped. Really, really popped. Interesting. Cool. Yeah, 20 cents. Yeah, if they can close the candle above 18 cents, and then you're looking for 20 cents already, and the spread is a little bit interesting though. It's going for 19 cents here. 1870, and come on. Yeah, so those last two candles failed at 19 cents. There's 19 cents about to be broken. Three, two, one. Nope. Nope. Not yet. Okay. So this one is still failing. So SCPX is still failing at that resistance, so that 1850. Alrighty. Still kind of sitting there. This one's struggling a little bit. FFIE came back to $2. Everything just seems like it's still in that weird phase. Um, Wasabi. What's your position in Crown? Let me know. Rose, good morning. Good morning. I think it's over. You didn't look too hard. No, that's okay, Charles. Yeah. Yeah, no, so they're not all sold out. So just scroll down. You just have to scroll down. No, Savi, yes. Just scroll down, Charles, and it's gonna give you the different levels. Anyways, yeah. So NBY is just kind of playing with between 18 and 19 for now. Uh, yeah, MTC. MTC is a crazy stonk. Crazy stonk. Yeah, so we're still between 18 and 19. Let me look at Crown, so because a few of you guys seem to have questions for Crown. Yeah. Like I mentioned earlier for Crown, Crown really isn't doing anything for now until FFIE goes crazy, right? So if you look to the left hand side, we've been struggling for Crown at 25 cents. So if we can break above 25 cents, then you're looking for a push to 27 and then 30 cents, right? So that 25 cent is your next resistance to watch. In terms of support, you're looking for 23 and then it's 21 cents. Alrighty, for all of you guys holding Crown. It does seem to be trending up for now. CRKN, which isn't bad at all. Right? Looks good. Looks good. Slowly creeping up. But yeah, so 25 cents is your next resistance. If you break above that, then okay, cool, exciting. Alrighty? So, lots of Crown questions. Still sitting at $2. Still at 740. MTC is struggling a little bit. NBY, 18. Yeah, like nothing stands out yet as the play for me. You're welcome. Welcomes. Okay, let's see. G wave. La 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 la. Uh, no, 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 no. Okay. Yeah, maybe this is just a retest for NBY here. $0.25. Let me go back. Yep, it's because you guys FOMOed in the chat. So there goes 25 cents. Right. So Crown looks good. Crown does look good. So break and close about 25 cents, then you're looking for 27. Right. So I'm just waiting for this candle to close above. It hasn't closed yet. That's the problem, right? So just because we've tapped 25 cents a few times and it hasn't closed, and you can kind of see where this candle is done. It went all the way to 25.50 and then came right back below. So the close of these candles above these levels is really, really important. It's actually around due to yeah, a dash. Yeah, I usually don't count those when the company's done a split. Yep. Gail, good morning. Show me the monies, Juno. Show me the monies. There we go. Yeah, this candle might actually close above. That's a brand new candle though. So the last one couldn't, but this one looks good. So at 25 has been slapped. 25 slapped. Almost 26. Ooh. Come on, push all the way up. How many minutes is it? So these are 1 minute candles. These are 1 minute candles. Um, choo, 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 choo. Is Crown good now? Depends. If you're in a position, Crown looks amazing, right? Because we're slowly creeping towards resistance. If you're looking for a brand new position, you're 1 penny from resistance. So your position becomes complicated. So yes, it does look good. If you're holding Crown, type in yes in the chat. You're holding Z Crown, type in yes in the chat. Uh, Here you go. Yeah, so quite a few of you. Pizza. Let's go. Yeah, Peter is undecided. There you go. So we broke above 25. Now we're going for 27, right? That's the next resistance. 26 is not even a problem. We just broke about 26 like it was cake. And so now we kind of tapped 26.50, right? So this supply zone. The red zone is the problem, right? MJ, good morning. So whenever you see the red zones on my screen, it means you have issues, right? When you see red, it's problems. When you see green, green is usually a good thing, right? So green is just again demand zones. These are areas that people seem to be buying at. So the indicator will remind you that hey, this level kind of seems okay. Like people seem to be buying in this green area. Cool, right? When you get to the red zones, it's like be careful, be careful, because people were selling this damn thing earlier this morning in the red zone, right? So let's see what happens here though. Above 26. Explain that reverse split with is it a play anymore? Uh, you don't want to hold the name. So again, I think they're splitting tonight, right, Goober? So I always try. You can play with the name is if it's like if penny stocks are pumping, it might also run, right? So play with the momentum, right? Play with it all day if you have to. Just make sure you get rid of it at the end of the day, though, because then they're gonna when you wake up in pre-market, it's gonna be a complete different price, right? You have to learn to slow down. Why? What happened? No, 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 no. There you go. You bought another 100 of Crown. Okay. Again, just make sure you're not buying close to a supply zone, right? Like I said earlier, it looks good if you're in a position and you're nice and green. If you're looking for a brand new position as we're approaching the supply zone, you're asking for trouble. So hopefully we can push back up to 26 and then push above 27 and then pump it to 30 cents. FFIE, this one doesn't seem to be doing much for now, but maybe it's going to move at the open, right? So we have 30 minutes to go. I kind of do like how, it's finding a base at 194. I think I said that earlier. It just needs to give us some push to the upside. NBY doesn't look too bad. It's still playing with 18 cents here. So a little bit of a double top at 19 cents if you're holding it. MTC isn't really doing much. GTBP isn't really doing much. So we're back to the penny stocks basically, right? We ended the week with penny stocks. We're back to penny stonks. Samuel, what's your position? I'll take a look. For now, even though we're sitting at resistance, Archer, it looks like it's crown. Uh, uh, there we go. Cash account or margin account? Please help Marvin. Our cash account is better. Good morning, Annette. You got in at 20 cents. Good morning, Danny. I'll take a look. Focus. Good morning. Getting ready. Yeah, I would like for it to get back above $7.40 and close above. Ready? Let me take a look. Potential, Fabian. I don't really see anything that. Again, I think it would be the penny stocks, honestly, right? FFIE and CRKN. Um, I would say those two. NBY does seem interesting, but we're watching all of them. Good morning, official. So your question was scrolling back up here. Ketra, you got it at 20 cents. It's at 17.50 now. Yeah. If you bought this thing in pre-market, then you for sure bought resistance. What does it look like? Not amazing, that's for sure. Not amazing. Yeah, your next little support at 16.50 there, um, Samuel. So put a stop loss, please. Mental stop loss. Pre-market. 222. Yeah, G-Wave looks good. If only that thing would break 20 cents and just stay above it. Catalyst. 20 cents hold, and then the pre-market high was 21. 21. Crown is back above 26. So again, Crown does look promising, actually, really promising. We're back to the highs for Crown here, 26.50. So the only concern for Crown is that we're sitting at in the supply zone, but Crown looks like the best name going into the open, doesn't it? Yeah. Look at that. Boom skis. There we go. Here's that 27 we talked about. Right, that 27 we talked about. We just tapped it and came back down a little bit. Um, So Crown for sure looking like the most promising. But we also said again, break 25, we look for 27, right? So 27 is resistance though, right? So break above that, close above it, and then we're looking for 30 cents. If I bought stocks over the weekend, will that price be the same when the market opens? Christina, no. No, usually not. It depends what you buy. Depends what you buy. There's after hours, right? There's after hour action, there's pre-market action. So very rarely does a stock, especially if you bought anything that we played with last week, very rare does it close at the same price and then open at the same price. There's always volatility. That's why when you buy something and you hold overnight, there's that risk of, you know, there's that risk. Here we go, 27 cents. Crown is actually looking really good. What's FFIE doing? FFIE, interesting enough, isn't doing much, right? It's not really doing very much there. So Crown is clearly the standout. I think it's because you guys are pumping it. You bought 30 more shares? Yeah, no, G-Wave has that 20 cent resistance, grunting. NBY is struggling. And Crown again, that 27 needs to break. Good morning, Hurricane. La la la, there we go. 27 broken. Let's go. Can we close above it? 60%. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Should you sell today? I am not. You have 4,000 shares of Crown. What did you buy those 4,000 shares at? It depends, Christina. Going into the open, it seems like it's Crown, doesn't it? Right. Stock of the day will always change, guys, and we just have to learn to adapt. And like, oh, this one looks good. Okay, let's play with it. Oh, now this other one looks good, right? So you just have to go back and forth. Uh, at 18 cents. Well done, Nintendo. What did you buy those 4,000 shares at? Like what price? Not your broker. Like what price? Do, 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 do. You know what's interesting is Mullen actually had a pop at some point. Funny. Yes. Yeah. So 27, right? So 27, we could barely close above that level and then dipped. Barely closed above it. 24 cents. 1100, Joe. Oh my goodness. Well done. Sheesh. Well done. Good morning, Furion. Kyle Fields, 16 and 15. What do you mean? What's it? Is that your position for Crown? That's what you got in that? It's a really good entry. Well done. Well done. Yeah, I would be okay with FFIE honestly this morning, just staying above the 200. The last time we were below the 200 was way well in after hours on Friday, right? So as long as this thing stays above the 200 today, I honestly don't mind, right? So stay above $1.84, $1.85 for FFIE, and that's okay. And the crown is just kind of struggling with that 27, right? So again, this shouldn't be a surprise. We talked about this level. Whenever you see the red zone, you should expect to get there and struggle a little bit, right? If we can destroy this red zone, then it's right at 30 cents. Good morning, Tyler. Good morning, good morning. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Alrighty, let's get to 100 likes before the market opens. Alrighty, so again, if you haven't smashed a like, take a second, and it really helps the channel, and it's free. Alrighty, so again, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet and you want to join us, click this link at the bottom of the chat and come join us in Discord. Alrighty. How do you figure out the red zones? Well, so the red zones are basically supply zones. So these are levels that the indicator looks at and says, oh, you know what? Like we left some like sell orders at this price in the past, right? People sold a lot at this price in the past. And so when we get there again, it's very likely that we sell off again. So if you look at this red zone right there, if I go to the left-hand side, I'm just going to keep scrolling left. You're going to notice that we've been here before and we've crashed before. So the indicator says, okay, something crazy happened over here and we left a whole bunch of cells, right? So look right there, right? Right in that area, and then boom, ski to the abyss. So when we get there again, it's going to remind you that, hey, just be careful, please, right? And you can kind of see how we're stalling a bit, right? Stalling a little bit. At 11 a.m. On Friday, yes, Tyler. Yeah, on Friday. Top of the morning, Jeffson. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Let's go. Let's go. Joe, that's okay. That's okay. You're in at 42 cents, 416. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, NBY looks like we could not get above 19. Double top. On Sunday? What, like Robert? On Sunday? What do you mean Sunday? Anyways, BNED. 42 cents. 416. 42 cents. I hope you didn't buy that thing today. I really pray that you didn't just buy this thing today. 416, and then you're holding a bag. This is why we keep saying like it's really really important, guys, to have like technicals in front of you, right? So let's say I ask you like, hey, you have no idea what technical analysis is. You bought on Friday, okay, good, because 42 cents is a huge problem, right? Like 42 cents, 42 cents, 42 cents, 42 cents, huge problem. Um, Also, you held overnight, which I that's always a little bit scary. You know what I mean? Always scary to hold these stocks that really don't have any news overnight. The good thing for you for now is that in pre-market it's been finding a nice base in this green zone, a demand zone at 32 cents, 32 to 31.50. So you're kind of hoping at this point that we stay above this bottom, right? 32 cents ish. So if we can stay above that and curl at the open, you'd be you're gonna be happy. Yeah. Yeah, so the indicator is exclusive to Hutrits members only. You can only buy this if you're a Hutrits member. And if you are a member, the instructions are in Discord in the Bullbay Algo channel. No, 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 Marvin, you keep asking the same question. We've answered that question already. What trading platform, Mike? So this, what you see on screen, this is TradingView. TradingView you can use and you can connect your brokers to. Like you can connect Webull, you can connect Questrade, which doesn't work well. Well, and brand new, you can connect interactive brokers. You can connect some brokers to this. But I use this platform just for technical analysis, and then I execute my trades on TD. Alrighty, so but I know some of you guys use this to connect. So again, it's just a technical analysis platform, and then you have to get a separate broker. Good morning, Scott. Good morning. Good morning. But I don't understand anything. What to invest in? Thank you, Freevo. I mean, if you don't understand anything, Freevo, you should like instead of looking for something to invest in, you should kind of understand how the market works first, right? So I would advise that you start learning like what these stocks mean, some of the phrases we're saying, what before you look for something to invest in. Alrighty. So again, as you can see, the red zone for CRKN is still there, right? So again, we had a clear warning that please be careful at 27 ish. We still look okay though, right? We still look okay. So hopefully, as we go into the open, we can destroy the supply zone. Already, hopefully. MTC is again nice run in the morning. Not really doing much there. We seem to be recovering a little bit here on GTBC. GTBP, sorry, GTBP. Right, this one had a crazy pre-market. Some of these candles absolutely impressive. So I think for now we struggled right below $9. So let's see if we can creep up there again. GWave failed in that supply zone again. Supply zone. Try to follow us with fake monies. There you go. Really good grunting. Yeah, really good idea, right? If you're new to the market, paper trade. Some of you guys might look at this and say, "Oh, like these crazy stocks. Like I feel like I'm missing them." I promise you, you're not missing out on anything. We've been doing this for quite a few years now, and every week there's another crazy play. Every month there's another crazy play. It always seems like something is going crazy. So what you have to do is try your absolute best to get the education that's needed, right? And practice, and then when you're ready, the money will come. Alrighty. So don't feel like you need to rush and like jump into everything right now. Take your time. Take your time and so these are all crap stocks. Yep, most of them are crap. Most of these stocks that go up 100%, 1,000%, which is what we like, they're rubbish, right? We know that. Doesn't mean you can't make money though. Well, I guess that's a good way to put it. Crap companies, amazing stocks. Momentum stocks, crap companies, right? The companies are craps, uh, but the momentum is nice. Exactly, Nemo. Exactly. That's really how it is. There goes almost 40 cents. Who was asking? Yeah, 416. There you go. There you go. 40 cents for BNED. So you're almost back, right? So just stay above 32 cents. You might start thinking like, okay, you know what? If we keep failing at 42 cents, maybe I want my money back. But yeah, we'll see. Here comes a retest of that 200 EMA for FFIE. What do I think about it, Mike? I think it looks okay. You just have a lot of resistance, close to 40 cents. Alrighty. Crown again. The supply zone, the red zone strikes again. So this is why we always warn. Please do not buy these stocks in the supply zone. Please. Please. When you see Crown going to 27 cents, don't be like, oh my God, I'm missing out. It's pumping without me. I'm going to buy it. Because then you're going to end up buying at resistance and then it's going to crash. And then you're going to say, every time I buy a stock, it goes down. It's because you bought at the wrong time. It's because you bought it at resistance already. So let's see if we can find a way to consolidate above 25 cents, right? It's Monday morning, guys. The market hasn't been opened yet. There's no need to be rushing into anything. Just sit back, relax. We're gonna find something to play. Alrighty. It's going to drop when the market opens. If we're below the 200, yeah, Mr. Potato. If we're below 180, then yeah. Today's survivors, yeah, GTBP still looks okay here. You like to learn it. Doge family, it's in the, so go to Discord, two channels. So Bull Bear Algo channel and then Bull Bear How To channel. Those two channels will teach you everything you need to know about the indicator. Slowly, yeah, yeah. TANH looks like it had a bit of a pop. There we go. Uh, uh, One second. Okay. Hymns and hearts. And synth. That was a nice chart, Musty. Yeah, that was synth. Yeah, since broke above that again, we talked about that 11 cents, right? For anybody that played with that. What happens when resistance lifts? Will it break out or dip? So when you break above resistance, you expect to run to the next resistance. Is the expectation? Yeah, on Discord, yeah. Louis, yeah, absolutely. NBY. It just has to clear 19 cents and then 20 cents. Just and listening and watching I still watch mainly. Yeah, Trevor, that's okay. That's okay. I like it. Take your time. Take your time. Your average is 26.15 on Crown. Sell at half or take the loss. Yeah. If I was in that position for now, I would give it a second. Alrighty, because again, you held that thing from the red zone. So this would have been a question, JB, that you should have asked me, or asked, right, when we were sitting in the red zone, right? Like I've said, again, when we get to that red zone, you expect the problem, right? If you go to the left hand side, right, look to the left hand side. If I'm looking at this chart and I see that the last time we got to 27 ish, we crashed. I'm like, oh, okay. When we get to 27 again, maybe I need to sell half my position. Or I need to take all my gains, right? Because now you're asking when we drop to the green zone. So if I was holding that position, I'd be like, yeah, I missed it already. So I'm just gonna wait a second, right? You can kind of see how we bounced off this area before, and it looks like we're bouncing off that same area, right? This is one of those cases where like you sell it and then it goes up, and you're like, damn it. So again, I would wait a second. If we break below this level, though, you might have to make a decision really quickly, right? Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Lori. Are you still on vacation, Dan? Saint in Dutch. before taking specific positions to favor you, audio. Absolutely, I like that. Yeah, take your time. So yeah, crown is creeping up again. So you can kind of see the difference, right, guys? It's not like these levels are coming out of thin air, right? So they're not coming out of thin air. Like this red zone was right there already, and it's like, hey, please be careful, right? This green zone was here already waiting, right? It's like, okay, maybe this is not a bad buy area, right? So like the levels are right there. So again, nice little bounce up the bottom. Can we get back to the top though? That'd be nice. Exactly, virus, exactly. So, this is again like sometimes, honestly, when we're this close to a red zone, instead of you buying it, just let it get above the red zone and then it's finally broken above. Even though you're buying at brand new highs, it's safer for you than it is like buying right below the red zone because you're holding some bags. Some bags. NBY looks interesting there. Ooh, look at this, guys. GTBP looks nice. Oof. So that last high, actually, we're making brand new highs for GTBP. Brand new highs here. That thing said, bye bye. It's absolutely crushing it. $9 incoming. Sheesh. La, 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 la. Break that. Yeah, four. 4 4. You just bought MMV. Okay. Yeah. As official, honestly, as long as you made money. Michael says, "How are we feeling about GME? Was up 15% overnight, but they knocked it back down. Yeah, as long as it stays above $20, Michael, there's a chance. Hopefully, at the open, it can regain that momentum. But that's just me. And personal, you think it's gonna pop again? Yeah, for now, I think we just watch those levels, right? So again, I like what Crown is doing, right? So if you were honestly like just watching my screen, my charts, right? And again, you sold that thing at resistance, or you didn't buy it at resistance, and then you bought in the green zone, you're happy, right? We're almost back to 26 here. So we basically just went from resistance right back to the green zone, and we're bouncing again, which is nice. So we would need to break that 27 though if we wanted to push again. Yeah, it lets you buy Doge. That's because they're like, Doge is not a. They're like, okay, that's an investment. You're not gonna sell it in 2 seconds, you know. So yeah, that looks good. Crown looks interesting. Good morning, Lynn. You out of nine. Let's go, Mini. Congratulations. Thank you, Lewis. Thank you very much. $11. Okay, not a big position. Audio, same person. Okay, come on, give us 26 cents. Give us 26 cents. 08. That's why. That's why. Okay. About opening of the market. Anything specifically or grunting? If everybody takes profits, yeah. I mean, I think 9 out of 10 times you should expect the market to sell off at the open, unless we're not selling off into the open. Come on, Crown. Come on, send it. Open. La 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 la. Okay. Yeah, technically this is a double top at $9. Yeah. Okay. You can almost look at that and say it's a triple top. Yeah, double top. $9 for GTBP. $9. La, 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 la. Yep. Here we go. Aubrey, what's your position? Ayo, Sky. Ayo, ayo. Yeah, so that thing has a bit of a double top at $9. If it breaks above that, then we pop again. We have 5 minutes before the market opens. There we go, Crown. There we go, guys. There we go. You're in Crown. Small shares on the dip. Let's go. Come on, here we go. 26.50. Again, you guys notice how this is playing out, right? So beautiful technicals, right? Beautiful technicals. Again, look at the red zone, dip back to the green zone, pop, right? So it's following like a gem. Here we go, 27. So just be careful because we're getting back to that 20, right? So there you go, JB, right? If you sold this thing at the bottom, you'd be pissed right now, right? So when you're playing with these things, it's really important to look at a chart because if you're not paying attention to a chart, you might sell this thing, but it's actually at a good level, and then it pops. Now you're back in the green, right? So if you were thinking about, yeah, exactly. There you go, 27 cents. Give us a breakout. Give us a breakout. I've missed a few questions here. I'm new to this. Do you set those red and green zones, or does the application? So the application does, the algo does, right? So, but it's based on levels that if you looked at the chart, you look at this and say, oh yeah, that's a double top. Like there should be a red zone there, right? So the application does. Alrighty. Can you take a look at Jack X? I need to dump today or tomorrow. A split coming on Wednesday. Yeah, $6,000. Higher last week. Kept this. Okay, sounds good. Jack X. So your average cost is 25 cents cover. 26 cents. Jack X. Ooh, yeah. Yup. I'm surprised this one again. It's down 30. It's down 39% this morning. My goodness, that's nasty. Um, it doesn't look the best. It fits the penny stock theme, so you're hoping that at some point it can catch on. I think people are dumping this though because they have a split coming up soon. So if I was holding this thing, I'd be watching that 15 cents. Like, I don't want to let it go below 15 cents, right? Actually, this thing was way low on Friday night. It went all the way to 11 cents. So yeah, you might have to look at your account and say, you know what, like I'm not willing to go below this price cover, right? And then go from there. Cool. This almost seems like we're coming back for a retest. Since looks okay. Since broke above that level we talked about earlier, right? You guys can see why we like these breakouts. Look at this breakout for Since. We talked about this level, this thing breaking above 11 cents. As soon as it did, look at that boom, right? To 13 cents. So it's coming back for the retest. I like what again. I like it for now as long as we stay above that 11 cents, Steve. Anyways, so Crown, look, Crown go, guys. Crown is an absolute beauty, right? So this is looking like the play going into the open, isn't it? An absolute beauty, Crown. Love it. Love it, love it. So if you bought the Dipski there, congratulations. Congratulations. Nah. Oh yeah, perfect. My charts are Obi, let's go. 23 months, let's go. Come on now. Let's go. 23 months, let's go, Crown. Yeah, we haven't closed above yet though, right? So we're gonna need to close these candles above and then it's 30 cents. GME is not pumping. Was this supposed to be pumping? Steven, I'll take a look. What's your position? Na 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 na. Okay. Perfect. No, so it hasn't fully closed above yet. So we're gonna need to close above that. If we do, and then boom skis, boom skis, boom skis, boom skis, boom skis. Give us 30 cents. The only concern is we're 30 seconds from the open. Actually 7 seconds from the open, right? So People usually take profits at the open. Let's see if they do. Alrighty, so we're about to open, and here we go. Here we go. Right. So you just expect volatility. That's the only problem. Come on, give us a pop. Give us a pop. You can kind of see that we're still in that supply zone, even though we're sitting right at 27 here. Good morning, chef man. GTBP again double topped at $9, right? Surprise again. When a stock fails at a level once, you should be very careful when it gets there again. Very careful. So let's see if this thing can stay above $7.37.40 though. GTBP. Alrighty, it doesn't look too. If we can stay above that, then not too bad. Crown just dumped, right? So back to 25. Again, people take profits at the open. That's the problem, right? So technically a double top for Crown there. 27. So that 27 is a problem. Even though we went to 28, we never really closed at 28. And again, like I said this multiple times, right? So when we get to the open, always expect to sell. Yeah, let the pump begin. I hope so. So if we can find a way, we basically just went from that red zone back to the green zone and then a pop again. Right? Typical market open volatility, right? Typical market open volatility. So again, if you're in a play going into the open, you kind of expect a sell off. So sometimes you want to take profits. If you're looking for position, it's usually best to give it a few minutes at the open. Wait for that dip and then take your position, and then hopefully we go boom skis. FFIE with a nice little dump at the open, right? Again, 9 out of 10 times, everything sells off at the open. Right? Most of these names we're looking at all dumped at the open. Right? G Wave, no exception. Greg, good morning. MTC is like, nah, I'm just gonna chill here at $10, 940. It's actually halted. Yeah, it's halted up. MTC halted up, and Crown is still trying to decide what it wants to do. Still trying to decide what it wants to do here. Not that bad. FFIE. Oh no, it's not that bad. Not that bad. Hmm. Ooh, that's a really nice push. Uh, One second. There we go. Yeah, FFIE is creeping back up here, which is nice. So we're back to $2. There we go. So a little bit of profit taking, and then the buyers are stepping in because we're at the highs of the day now for FFIE. If that thing is pumping like this, you would almost hope that Crown follows up too. All right, there goes 211. 211, 211. AMC is pushing. Okay. Oh, yeah, there we go. Watch, they're going to halt it here soon. Here we go, 220. Oh my goodness, that's a really nice push. We're actually sitting at highs of the day now, 220. That's a nice push. Again, if it's pumping like that, you'd expect Crown to start to creep up as well, right? So there goes Crown at 26 and then back down. Because so 220 is usually a problem, alrighty? So 220 is that psychological resistance for any stock, alrighty? So we're gonna need to, if you're in a position and it looks nice, if you're looking for a brand new position, I would rather wait for that thing to break 220 and consolidate above it, and then we look for a brand new level. So again, this thing only sold off last week because it was Friday. Friday. People took profits, right? Like I mentioned over the weekend, like as long as we stayed above $1, like there's still a chance that we go for another run, right? So we stay above that $1, good. So now 220 is your next resistance, yeah. Yeah, here we go, 223. Ooh, we again, as soon as that thing broke out, Crown also popped back to the highs. Look at Crown go, right? So again, they're like brothers and sisters, siblings, you know? We're back to 27 on Crown. So FFIE is clearly the leader still. FFIE goes, Crown follows. Crown has this strong resistance at 27. And we keep coming back to this level and then back down, back to this level and then back down, which is really annoying at this point. So it's going to need to break out at some point. Was able to sell. It worked. It works. It worked. It worked out. Okay, good. You like the stock? Yeah. So we filled at 27 again for Crown, right? FFIE is unable to close above 220. So if that thing can break, close above 220, and then we can look for brand new levels. Through the day today, I mean, the day just started, so you cannot make a decision for the entire day, right? So again, 220 resistance. Until we close above 220, we're not looking for anything above, right? We can break above 220, but if that candle doesn't close above 220, we're not looking for anything beyond that. So and we're coming back to $2 again, right? So again, on look at that 190. It's like market open volatility, right? Chaos. So we can only talk about 230, 250 if we close above 220. If we do not close above that level, no go, right? So like I said, if you're looking for a brand new position in this stock, you have to wait until that thing closes above 220. If not, wait for the dip skis, right? You did, Sky? Okay. Might get a drop? Yeah. Again, FFIE is leading. So Crown seems better in the sense that it's still in that same range, right? So since we've been talking about Crown, we've been going from 27 back to 24-ish, this demand zone, right? This green zone we talked about. So we've been coming back to this level and then going right back up. So Crown looks good in that sense. And there goes Crown, 27.50. Come on, you can do it, Crown. You don't even need FFIE. Just do it on your own. Come on, give us 28 cents. So we're just going back and forth, up to the same level, down to the same level. Come on, you can do it. You got at 128. Sylvester, well done. Congratulations. I would set stop losses for both since you're green in both, unless you have massive positions and you can scale out. But for now, I would move your stop losses again. So if you're holding FFIE, let's say I was in that same position, 128, I'd be looking for stop loss right below 173 because that's the low of the day. Alrighty, you don't want to let it break below the lows because then we might sell off to 150 and then who knows where we go. Alrighty, so and then Crown, you might want to do the same thing. So anyways, again, for now, Crown does look good. It just needs to break out. TANH, I'll take a look. Let's see, how many of these do I have? One second. I just need to look at a position here. Okay. That's why. No. Okay, perfect. 80%. Yeah, I'll take a look. It's usually crazy in the mornings. Crazy in the mornings. Yeah, GTBP still looks a little bit sus here for now. So stay above that $7 range. Since nothing here yet. AMC. Let me look at AMC really quickly. AMC doesn't look too bad though, does it? Yeah. What I would like to see for AMC though to come back and watch would just be a higher low. Like if we pump and then come back and get a higher low, then I don't mind. Alrighty, for now it's pushing really nicely, but I think the market is, the market just opened, so I wouldn't read too much into that. TANH we talked about earlier this morning. It looks good. Actually looks really good. Yeah, that's the high for the day here. So $1.20 broken. Watch $1.20 grunting. If it closes above $1.20, then you might be looking for a brand new level. That's if we close above that 120. I bet you at some point we're going to come back and retest $1.10. That might be your play. Malik, what's your question for BCAN? Because you keep spamming it. Keep spamming it. So technically, what you're looking for is again either we consolidate above $1.20, which it looks like that candle closed and it just popped, right? So either that we consolidate above that level, or you're looking for the retest of this range here, this little breakout, right, close to $1.10 for a position. Alrighty. Yeah, the market looks really good. Musty, it looks really good. Yeah, TANH is crushing it. That was a good breakout. Where would you consider an exit? Where did you get it at? It's halted up. TANH is halted up here. Wow. Halted up. And as you can see though, for Crown, like we cannot seem to break out. Like we cannot seem to break out. We keep failing in that 27 range, 27 to 28, anywhere between that, we keep failing. So, um, yeah, again, I don't think FFIE is really helping the situation. Like it's really not helping because we go up and then we come back down because this one's dropping, right? So hopefully this becomes a double bottom here for FFIE. That thing is like, I don't know. I don't know. Again, as you can see that dropping, look at what's happening with FFIE, with Crown, right? As soon as FFIE drops, this one drops, right? Which is not nice. So let's see if they can find support at the same level that they've been holding. Oof! Look at that thing drop 23 cents, right? So again, those stop losses have to be in there because these things can drop really quickly. I think people just panic sold it. 22. Oof! That's a drop. That's a that's a nasty drop. Yep. Right. So, but we really can't look at this and say, you know what, surprise, right? Because it's resistance, guys. Right. This is like the millionth time we came to this level above 27 and we struggled. So when we're sitting at resistance, you should think about a stop loss at least because you can always get back in cheaper, right? Truck, good morning. So let's see if we can find a base and go back up. FFIE is actually holding that previous bottom, which is interesting that Crown just decided to go to the abyss, right? So let's see if they can both find a bit of a base here. Oof, that's a nice pop for GB. Oh my goodness, GTBP with a really good pop, a really good pop there. Sheesh, I do like that level too. Yeah, halted right at resistance, which is annoying, but that's a really nice pop. Uh, that's just Legends, Hurricane. Yeah, I hesitated on the signal this morning, and yep. Nah, 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 nah. There we go. Joe, are you playing this morning, or you're just kind of watching? You're back in the truck. You're ready to print. Okay, let's cook. Let me know. Let me know. Is anybody holding GTBP? Anybody in the chat? So this would be the third time that we're testing that $9 range. Maybe we on hold and it opens above it. But if you're holding this, congratulations, because that was a really nice bounce. Granting you are, yeah, you played this really nicely in the morning. Congratulations, right? Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, you played this really nicely from 669. We need some people to leave, Jay. Or we need more people to join. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. It's a bit of a sus morning, right? So again, I really appreciate it if you've smashed a like. If you haven't yet, take a second and smash a like. It really helps the channel. And let's try and make some monies, please. Alrighty. True. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. What does the bottom look like? I mean, for now, it does seem to be finding a base, right? At a dollar again, like I said earlier, like close to $1.70, right? You know what's interesting? Again, like right, that stop loss right below $1.70 for FFIE would have never hit, which is good, right? So the only concern for now is we start getting some lower highs, but it's finding a nice base in the green zone. So we keep talking about the green zones, right? This is a nice green zone if we stay above it. It's annoying though that crown came all the way back down. A little bit silly, but yeah. Let's cook. Let's cook. 220 million in volume. Yeah, 220 million. Thank you very much. TANH is unhalted, and that thing said goodbye. Goodbye. I bet you they're gonna halt this again really soon here, if it's not already halted. 144. Yup, it's halted again. Yup, there it goes. Halted again. MD, what's your position for since? Let me know. Again, if you have a question, guys, there are a whole bunch of tickers in the chat, right? Um, uh, love it. Brilliant. Na 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 na. Yeah. So one every 10 cents. Exactly. Exactly. So with stuff like this though, you really have to make sure that it doesn't halt down because when it does, you know it's going to start halting down. So make sure your stop loss is really tight, Greg. Make sure that it's really really tight. Really really tight. So it looks like MTC is on halted and halted up. So 1077. It actually halted down. So it popped to 1180 and then halted at 1077. Can you look at JFB on the 5 minute chart? It looks like it broke out of a wedge at 50 cents. Could it continue to a dollar? So you want to break that high from last week for day trading. Right? The high from Friday is what you're looking for next, not a dollar. So when it's halted, Kyle, you cannot get in. So you have to wait for it to on halt before you look for a brand new position. No, no, no. You bought it at 10, 20 cents. Now it's at should you hold? um, yeah, when you buy something like that at 20 cents and it's at 10 cents, you just have to decide that okay, you know what? I don't want to lose any more than this. La, la. You're looking for ES shorts? Yeah. Sheesh, that's a really nice push. That's a really nice push. That's a potential double top there, Joe. I had a long position. I should have just kept it. Sheesh. I know. I'm wondering if so. It depends what halt what halt phase you're in. So there's a halt phase, guys. So if I'm watching a stock, right? If I'm watching a stock, and I look at the chart and it looks good. If it's the initial halt, I'm more excited to jump in, right? Like if I'm watching something and it just got halted for the first time and it unhalts, as long as it doesn't unhalt too far away from that initial halt, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. But when you're halting for the second and third time, it depends where this thing opens at, Kyle. So if you're looking at 10H, if this thing all of a sudden opens at 116, then your entry is not the best anymore, is it? Because then you're buying like three halts in at the highs of the day at 150%. Your risk is very high. Alrighty. So yeah, as close to 20 cents as possible, Brian. As close to 20 cents as possible. Yeah, maybe we might have missed it here, but as close to 20 cents as possible. 37. Okay. Speaking of green, a can cover. Are you in a can? It's drips. Are you in poet? Again, yeah. Let me know what you're looking for, guys. I promise I will look at anything, whether you're a member or not a member. You just have to give me details because if I start looking at all the tickers you guys are spamming in the chat, we're gonna be all over the place. You know what I mean? So just let me know. Yeah, it looks like so. This is the problem with jumping into halts at resistance, right? So clearly GTBP, it's a triple top, right? So when something is halted at resistance, you don't want to touch it because there's a pretty good chance that it drops immediately to the abyss. So watch for $7 to 7.40 for support. Christian, as long as you put a stop loss really close to right below 170, right? So FFIE's done a good job holding that 170. I like what it's doing. If we can get back to $2, that would be amazing. But if you're looking for position, yeah, make sure it stays above that. Alrighty. Sheesh, that thing just exploded. Damn. My goodness. La, la, la. That's crazy, Lion. That's crazy. Do, 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 do. Sheesh, I should have kept that long position, Joe. Should have kept that long position. My days. Sheesh, that would have been really nice. A beacon? Okay. 164. You're in at 122. Okay, I like it. I'll take a look in a second, Kyle. Yeah, it did. And so there goes the on halt, right? So now it's halted down. So this is the problem, right, guys? We just talked about this. You know what's funny? It played out exactly as we talked about. So again, halt number three, where did it open at? It opened at 160 ish and then immediately halted down. So when you're looking to play these halts, Kyle, you have to understand what phase of the halt you're in, right? If you're buying halt number three, there's a good chance you're buying at the top, right? Because if you just jump into this thing at 160, well, now it's halted at 137. And there's a really good chance it's going to open below that. Now you're panicking, right? So SPY looks like an absolute monster. Whoosh. Shoosh. Shoosh, 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 shoosh. Volume is banned for what? Come on, FFIE. Can we do something here? GTBP is unhalted and it's dropping like a tomato. Dropping like a tomato. Let's see if we can stay above $7. NVIDIA numbers, yeah. Uh, Na, 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 na. Yep, below $7. I just bought Poem at 255. Do I think you should hold it? Let me take a look. POEM. It's like Poet. $2.55. Do I think you should hold it? Well, let me look at the daily really quickly. So next time when you take a position, though, it's DRITS. Make sure you look at the chart and come up with a plan, just so you have an idea of what you're gonna do. So your next resistance is that high from 260. That's the high we hit on Wednesday. Last Wednesday, that was the high. If that thing breaks about 260, I think you're sitting in a really good spot, and there's a good chance you push closer to 280 and $3 maybe. So for now, let's say if I was in that same position, I'd be looking for stop loss. Right, so we might even sell off all the way to 240, but I think you're in a good position for now. The volume isn't the best though; like it's 200,000 shares, like it's nothing, right? So not the greatest. But your position is not that bad at all. Even if we dip to 240, as long as we stay above that level, not bad. Alrighty. So again, FFIE still looks okay here just because we're holding the bottom of the range, but that thing needs volume to the upside. Volume to the upside. No. I'll take a look. Crown is tanking. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, watch for closer to 20 cents. Between 21 and 20 cents, you're gonna need to make sure that it doesn't break below 20 cents though, because then you have a problem. Let's see. Okay. West. Oh, here we go. Here we go. A what? A your Rachel. Hello, hello, hello. Did you change your name? Yeah, SPY looks amazing. The markets look good today, so I think we might just be heading to all time highs if we haven't already crossed it. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah. Again, like the volume isn't bad. The only issue is that it's still sitting below the range that it needs to break out of, right? So, I'm new to the chat. Thanks for the good work. Thank you. Welcome to the chat, Moses. Welcome, welcome. So yeah, FFIE just seems to be going sideways for now. Crown again, 21 to 20 cents is what I would be looking for. Right, TANH is unhalted, guys, and it's still dipping. So we dipped all the way to 125, right? That's the problem with FOMOing into these stocks on the halt up. So if you're looking for a position, let's see if we can consolidate above $1.16, $1.20. Alrighty, and then turn back around. Cool, cool. Let me look at MMV. MMV, is that thing making a brand new high? Yeah, it is. Next resistance 142 Sky. Yep, and the red zone, the supply zone's just kicked in. So yeah, 142 your next resistance time. Uh, Oof, that thing said screw resistance. Let's go. Screw resistance. Yeah, the markets look nice. Cool. 138 sets. Okay, very nice. Very nice. You sold? Okay. I was watching a show. Well, actually, I was Skylar was on the TV show. I was watching. It was fun. He sounded the exact same as he. It was a really good show. That was fun. It was a good watch. Yeah. You need to get on Survivor, Sky. Get on Survivor. So look at TANH, guys, right? Look at that thing. So 160 all the way to $1, right? We basically came back to retest the breakout, right? We again, this is what we mentioned earlier, right? At some point when we pump like that, we always come back down to retest the level that we broke out from, which is not a huge surprise. So if TANH can stay above $1, TANH close these candles above, there's a good chance that we curl back up. So if you are looking for a brand new position, again, closer to $1.10 would be your position would be your area to look at, right? MMV is halted up, yeah. That thing said, thank you, goodbye, halted up. FFIE isn't looking too hot, so watch for that 170-ish. Hopefully, it stays above 170. It's dropping again, so Crown is dropping like that because FFIE looks rubbish, right? So a little bit of consolidation here would be nice. Another reminder, when you're looking for position in a stock, it's always advisable that you wait for that consolidation. So never really just have so again, even if we're looking for 20 cents, 21 cents, right? You want to wait for a bit of consolidation. Like you want to see that, okay, we got to 21 cents, we got to 20 cents. It looks like it's consolidating a little bit because what that tells you is that people are no longer selling, right? If you get to 20 cents and you see candles like this, why the hell would you buy it? You can clearly see that people are still dumping it, right? So that consolidation is key. Wait for it to consolidate. Wait for it to consolidate, right? TANH seems like it's bouncing off that level that we talked about, right? So we came back for that retest and then curl, push, retest, curl. Um, so we're gonna do a giveaway, guys. A giveaway. Right. So let's go, Rob. Let's go. Once we so we're gonna give away. So Rob wants to give away. So the indicator that I'm using that you see on screen, gonna give that away to 5 people. Alrighty, so 5 people giveaway. Let's get to 300 likes though. Let's get that. That's less than half of you guys on stream. So again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, give away a Lambo. Let's give away a Lambo. Um, yeah. So the Boba algo has been alive for 2 years. Let's do a giveaway. Alrighty. So again, let's get to 300 likes and then let's do a giveaway. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like. Let's get to 300. Um, Cool, cool. Yeah, TANH is bouncing really nicely off that level. Crown looks like we're kind of consolidating in a brand new demand zone. FFIE, that thing really needs to bounce off 70 cents here. Otherwise, it's gonna be looking a little bit sus. And there it goes. There it goes. No signs of curling yet. Let's see where this candle closes. So just let it sell off, and then let's see where it closes at. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Mm, it's actually an interesting drop there. Yep, still dropping. Right. So when something's crashing, don't try and catch the bottom, please. Let it crash. Right. When something's crashing, don't again make sure you have your stop losses in place as you always should. Right. When it's crashing, don't try and catch the bottom. Let it crash until it decides to consolidate. It might be at a dollar, it might be at $1.20. We really don't care. Right. So you put a stop loss if it hits, that's okay. You can always get back in cheaper. Right. You notice how people panic when we break below that support, right? So that's why you don't want to be holding these things. You let them, again, you put a stop loss, you let it crash, and then you look for a brand new position. Hopefully, Crown can stay above 20 cents. MTC doesn't look too good. GTBP, kind of consolidating, isn't it? Yeah, it's 680. Kind of consolidating. Kind of consolidating. Uh, hmm. 1 second. Hmm. There we go. La 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 la. Okay, perfect. You're in a short? Yeah, nice. That was a really good drop, Joe. Really good drop. Let's go. 50 more people smash a like. Let's do the giveaway, guys. Come on. 50 more people smash a like. Let's start the giveaway. While you guys are doing that, I'm gonna get the giveaway ready here. Log in with this. Uh, Continue. Do giveaways. To na. What are we giving away? So we're giving away the indicator that I'm using. Right. So um, yep. So again, you're getting a week of the indicator, right? So already, you want it? Let's go. Yeah, I think it's an amazing giveaway. I think it's an amazing giveaway. Crown seems to be back to 21 cents. And TANH looks really nice. This is perfect, guys, right? So TANH came back really nicely to support, and it popped, right? So we're back to 140. This is what I mean by, like, honestly, if you're not in a position, like if you're not in a position and it's exploding like this, there's no need for you to be rushing, rush, right? So just let it. Eventually, it's gonna dip, and this one came right back to where we're supposed to come back to, and then popped. If you're holding 10H, type in yes in the chat. Could I get a month of your Discord, Michael? No, unfortunately. Um, you can't. You're gonna again. Your first day, you're gonna make your monies back. So come join us in Discord, Michael. If you're not a member yet, guys, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us in Discord. The link from Virus. Alrighty. Come join us. You're gonna make your monies back. So 10H looks nice. Bradley, yeah, Brian, you bought the Dipski. Congratulations, Brian. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yeah, that was a really good dip, right? So again, $1.10 ish, right? And then a little bit of consolidation, and then the curl, boom skis. Just be careful here though, because the last time we pushed, we halted around $1.40. You can't really count this 160 because we never really closed anywhere around that level. So like close to $1.40, you want to be a little bit cautious. So make sure you have a stop loss and you move it up. No, 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 no. More than once because I'm liking and unliking. No, don't do that. DGT. No, 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 no. Yeah, Spy came all the way back down. What is going on? But these were some pretty big candles, though. Some pretty big candles. I think I'm gonna do the long position there, Joe. Actually, Virus, yeah. Consolidating, yeah, that thing popped again. We might actually end up finding a base at 150 for FFIE, Christian. We might actually end up finding a base at 150, which would be a good thing. I think what I would like to see to say, you know what, we found the bottom and we're ready to go back up. I think I'd like to see a higher low and just a higher high. So if we dip a little bit again and we stay above this 150 and then we get back above the 200, I think I'd like to say, you know what, it's time to push back to $2. Yeah. It hates 140. Yeah. So 140 is a problem. It's that second halt price. Um, yeah. Gary, it might just be like that, honestly, into NVDA earnings. It might just be like that. No, 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 not two contracts. Perfect. In and out. Okay. Um, First. Perfect. Uh, yeah, Rob, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Gary. Yeah, I agree. I agree. 5-star NKGN. What's your position? It looks like Crown is back to 22 cents. Back to 22 cents. Paula, welcome to the community. You signed up for the wrong level, unfortunately. When you sign up for Discord, guys, make sure you scroll down and select the level that says Discord, Legend, or Goats. Please and thank you. Alrighty? Yeah, so don't get the level that says sold out. So again, Discord community, Legend, or Goats if you're signing up for Discord, please and thank you. So if you're holding 10H, Brian, I'm not sure if you're still in this. Just make sure we stay above $1.20. Alrighty? Stay above $1.20. Do I need to cancel the Christina orders? What orders do you have? If you have, let me take a look. So my Q was not, not any idea why. So maybe the price never hits, but if it's not filling, you might need to cancel it, and then if you still like it, then put in a new one. Um, you're in and watching. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's see if we can get back above $1.40 there. $1.40. Yeah, we need some easy plays. We need some easy plays. I think we're coming off the back of last 2 weeks, so everything still seems a bit volatile. We're gonna get some easy plays though, whether that's today or at some point. We're gonna catch some nice themes, and that 1,000% is gonna come again. So for now, you just have a whole bunch of names that are all over the place. MTC is getting slapped. Oof, slapped. My goodness, from massive greens to red. MVV looks good though. I think it's a brand new highs here. So how do you enter the giveaway? It's going to be a key phrase. Okay, so we made it, guys. What's that? 10 more likes, guys. 10 more likes, and then let's do a giveaway. So again, what we are giving away um, is the algo, the bull bear algo, which is the indicator that you see me using on stream. So you have to have TradingView, and then we again, it's just gonna go to your username, right? And then you have access. So this indicator, a lot of work has gone into this indicator. I kind of told you guys a bit of, um, Rob has spent quite a few years, working on this. Quite a few years. I would message Rob at like 2 a.m. in the morning, and this was like 2 years ago or a year ago. And Rob would still be awake, saying, I can't go to sleep. I need to do this. I need to do this. So like there's been a lot of, anyways. And a lot of you guys use this, and you can cut, most of you guys like it. So that's the giveaway. Alrighty. Cool, cool, cool. MMV does look good though. Sky. Yeah. Looks good. Two, 300s. Let's go. So it's going to be a phrase. Alrighty. MNV is halted up, which is good. So because we can kind of look at other stuff. TANH is finding a way to stay above $1.20. So hopefully it can and then go back up. FFIE, guys, again, what I would like to see is some higher lows, because we're not sure what it's going to do. If you look at the open for FFIE, we made a high and then we're kind of getting some lower highs now, which is usually a red flag, right? Which is usually a red flag. So not looking too hot for now. So still kind of waiting to see if we get a double bottom, to see if we get a higher low, and then we can go from there. If you're still holding Crown, I hope Crown can do the same thing, like just stay above 20 cents at this point. Alrighty, stay above 20 cents at this point, please. 10H is pushing. So let's see here. I'm just thinking. Hashtag. Keyword. So the keyword for the giveaway, guys, is going to be hashtag. Let's just call it algo. So hashtag algo. Already. So hashtag algo is going to be the. Yeah, there you go. Hashtag algo. We're gonna run it for like 2 minutes or so, and then the bot is gonna pick a winner in the chat, and then we're just gonna do this until 5 people have it. Alrighty, and then you can test it out and see how you like it. You can type it. You can type it just once, and it's gonna get you in. So you don't have to spam it a whole bunch of times. You can just type it in once, and you should be good to go. Anyways, yeah, no, TANH looks good. So a little bit of a higher low there, Brian. So that's perfect, right? So make sure you put a stop loss and move it up. Now, especially now that we've found a bit of a bottom, just move it up. Move your stop loss up so you don't end up going red. Maybe I should take that. The money's on the long, Joe. Uh, la, 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 la. There you go. Let's go. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of you guys in that. So again, let's do another 30 seconds, guys, and then we're just gonna run the giveaway. And then we're gonna wait a few minutes, and then we're gonna do it again, and then do it again, and then do it again until we have 5 winners. Okay. So when you win, if you're a member, just send me a DM in Discord, or send Rob a DM. Send Rob a DM him your TradingView username, just your username, um, and then you're gonna get a trial. Cool. Uh, already. Again, everybody's eligible for the giveaway. But I hope members win more. Uh, we might do half for everybody, and then other half, like another half, just for members only. Cool. Robinhood, any suggestions? Christina, the question is, why don't you like Robinhood? Weibo might be another really good try. Weibo might be another really good try. Okay, let's run the giveaway so you guys can stop spamming now. You guys can stop spamming now. So the algo is amazing. Um, let me pull up a little thing here. Yeah, let's run this one, and then I'll explain, Steve. Are we ready? Are we ready? The winner for the giveaway. The winner for the giveaway for the first rule is, drumroll please. Let's go, Brian. Brian. Come on. There you go. Brian became a member on Friday. Friday. Well done, Brian. Good job. Love it. Don't lose monies on this play, please. Otherwise, I'm gonna find you. And congratulations, Brian. First winner. Ayo, Erica. Brian, if you look in Discord, Rob is in Discord, top right hand corner. Just click on his name and send him a DM. Just send him your TradingView username. If you don't have TradingView, just just open it up. Just get a free account. Get a free account, and apply the algo to it. Alrighty. Okay, so that's the first giveaway is done. We're gonna use another hashtag. Hashtag rigged. It's not rigged. I promise. It's not rigged. Don't worry. We're gonna do it a few more times. Let's give it a few more minutes, and then we're gonna do it. Cool. Cool. This one still kind of looks a little bit sus, though, doesn't it? I don't mind this level at 670. Do I? $6.70. Okay. Let's see if we can get back in that range. MMV, guys, is just pumping. That thing is just on fire. Just on fire. I'm surprised it hasn't halted up again, actually. Sky, are you still in it? Sheesh. You cooked on this one. Cooked. Cooked on this one. My goodness. GME, GNS, MMV cooked on this one. If you made money in MMV, if you got into MMV, type in yes in Discord. Yeah. You're done with it. You made money and you're done, Rachel. Oh yeah. No, you know how when you can watch a show, like, well, actually, like we've had a lot of conversations with Sky, right? So, and you can tell Sky is a gem of a human, but then you watch that show and you can put a face now to everything, and you can put like Sky's nice. I like him. Yeah, no, that's what I mean. You don't have to spam it, Musty. Right? Once you put the thing in there, it takes you entry and then it spins the wheel. Right? So, anyways, yes, sir. Choo choo. Not that pretty, but no, it's not the face. It's just the way you can kind of see someone carry themselves. Yeah, incoming double top. Yeah, double bottom maybe. Yeah, unless double bottom, Dre. Yeah, I'm just hoping we see a higher low. It kind of looks like it, doesn't it? So this is what I'm hoping happens here for. So hopefully we maintain that little uptrend there, right? Hopefully we maintain that, and then we break above this this level right here. Um, Hopefully we break above that double top. And if we do, I think we might be ready for a bit of a push for FFIE. So that's the hope. And if that happens, then Crown is going to join the party too. Okay, let's see. The non. Perfect. Lex, you're looking for 20 cents. You're looking for 20 cents. La la la. Verb and SPCB. Okay. SPCB. MMV just pumping, guys. Woo! $2 broken here. My goodness. My goodness. You're still in there? Yeah, Sky's crushing it on this one. Well done. Yeah. The S&P is making brand new highs of the day. Brand new highs of the day. Joe, hopefully you took profits on that play. Hopefully you took some gains on that play. I'm gonna set a stop loss on something here. Hmm. Okay. Let's go, DD. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. If you're holding an MMV, type in yes in the chat. I know you guys FOMOed into that alert in Discord, right? The bot alert. Let's go. Let's go, Sky. Well done. Hashtag yes. Hashtag yes. Congratulations. Yeah, just be careful. $2 is always a problem. Um, that's a really good run up. That's a really nice run. I mean, again, look at that beautiful retest, right? And then boom, skis. Yes, late, but yes, Brian. Question for you, Brian. Since you became a member on Friday, has your membership paid for itself? I know you were a little bit skeptical. You're like, oh, I don't know if I want to join. Since you became a member on Friday, has your membership paid for itself? Smithy's crazy. La la la. Sponge God. Yeah. La 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 la. There we go, Brian. There you go. So again, if you're not a member yet, guys, come join us in Discord. Right. Again, like I usually, again, we might not be watching these names on stream, but they're getting spammed in Discord, right? So MMV was getting spammed in Discord by the bot, right? Which is really important. So we were too busy looking at some other names. Mm, let's see if we can get a dip here. Yeah, so $2 in, and then we're backing off. Jay says 193, love it. Helping educate on the stop loss has been most helpful. Well done, Brian. Well done. Any tips on how to weed out the top takers from the ball? So what you're looking for is breakouts. So you can get a whole bunch of tickers. What you're looking for, Veronica, is okay. I'm gonna look at this one and I'm gonna look at this one. Let's see which one breaks out, right? I'm gonna see which one sells off. So let me show you an example here. So let me pull up the first the first alert here actually. Let me scroll all the way up. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I look for when it comes to these alerts. La, 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 la. And then I'm going to try and answer some of those questions. It's halted down, by the way. So that $2 resistance was a huge wall. So if you took profits, congratulations. See, that's the only. I just want to look at the time that this. So 7-7. So that was an hour ago when the first alert came through. So that was the first alert. 37. So that's 9:37 for me. Oof. My goodness. Okay. Hmm. One second. Okay, I have 747. Right there. Perfect. So this first alert came through, right? So I'm gonna pull up the exact time there. It came through with two different alerts. So actually, yeah, so 9:47 Eastern time. So let me pull up the alerts, blah blah blah. Hopefully the stream doesn't end up glitching there. Mm. So, do you guys see that alert? So that's basically a momentum alert, right? For some reason, I can kind of see that the like the stream is glitching. Let's just talk about the alert really quickly. Um, we have two new members. Let's go. There we go. And then we're gonna do another giveaway here. Okay, perfect. So that's the first alert, right? So again, Matthew, welcome to the community. Larice, welcome to the community. Welcome, guys. I'm gonna send you guys an invite, right? So I'm gonna send you guys an invite to join Discord. So this was the first alert, right? So this was the first alert that we got for MMV, right? So it's like, hey guys, please pay attention. That's what these are. These are ideas like, hey, go pay attention to this stock, right? These are ideas like, hey, watch this stock. There might be something happening here. I think you should pay attention to it, right? So what I like to look for is that breakout area. So this little circle you see, that's when the alert initially came through, right? So the alert came through at 9:47, so right there, right? So on this candle actually. So what I'm looking for now is I'm going to go to the left hand side. I'm going to say, okay, we have a double top basically at this price. I'm looking for a breakout. I'm looking for a break. You can kind of see how these candles broke and closed above it, and it's holding above. That's your entry, right? We broke above resistance, we're closing above resistance, right? So when you get an alert, you're looking for the breakout. So you don't have to jump in, even if you have to wait for a sell off, like let it go and then wait for that sell off and then wait for the new breakout. That's fine too. So that was the first one, right? And then all of a sudden we just went boom, 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 right? All the way to $2, right? So some of you guys got into that. So let's say you get an alert right here. Let's say you get an alert right here, right? And it's pumping and it's pumping and it's pumping. Wait for that sell off. Wait for the drop and then wait for this breakout. I would rather you buy that thing all the way back up here or wait for the dip, right? This was the retest of the breakout, right? So look to the left hand side. This was the breakout. This is the retest technically. So you either wait for the retest of the last breakout or you wait for the brand new breakout, even if you have to wait for it to drop first, right? And then you still make money though, right? So the whole idea behind waiting for the breakout is you know that more volume is going to come in. Volume is going to come in, right? So if you took that alert, you made monies, right? Which again, a whole bunch of you guys did, right? DD did, Brian did, um, and then yeah, already. So now there's resistance at $2. Again, let me know if you have any questions about those alerts, because those alerts are going to make you money. Like those alerts will kind of remind you that, hey, something is moving, go pay attention, right? You don't have to jump in, you just have to keep it on watch and say, okay, I'm watching, I'm watching. What's going to happen, right? So is HOLO going? Yeah, we've been watching HOLO. That thing is such a, it's so slow, right? It looks like we're finally getting a little bit of volume. So, like I said, the entry would be closer to $1.90 or wait for $2.20 to break, right? So we're going to keep watching HOLO because we keep bouncing off the same level, right? HOLO, um, yeah. Oh no, like yeah, I do little scalpies as the day goes on. So when you see me distracted a little bit, probably in a scalpy, Luis. Let me get you guys an invite to join Discord though. Alrighty. Ooh, TradingView is giving a so TradingView Canada. Okay, the Canadian version of TradingView is like 70% off. So 70% off. One second, guys. Copy link. So if you just become a member, this is your Discord invite. Alrighty, click the link at the bottom of the chat and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Alrighty. GTBP, yeah, look at that beautiful bounce of the demand zone, right? Of the green zone. So speaking of green zone, let's do another giveaway. Yeah, so there's a link in the description, for TradingView discounts. Okay, let me refresh this and then we're going to do another giveaway. Perfect. So another keyword. La, 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 la. And then so we're going to do hashtag hashtag let's do hashtag monies already. So monies, MO, like that, like the one I just posted in the chat. Hashtag pump, hashtag monies, hashtag monies. There you go. Let's give another person the algo. See algo. There we oof, look at that pop. Again, this is why we like the algo, guys, and this is why you guys might want the algo, right? Look at this beautiful green zone. Like look at that green zone. Again, the green zone reminds you that hey, GTBP, this might be an okay level, right? This might be an okay level for a long position. Look at that. Demand, boom, pop. right? So when it's consolidating in a green zone, that's a good thing. If it's consolidating in a green zone, that's a good thing, right? Good demand, and then a pop. So and then supply zone at the top, right? Double top, and we filled them multiple times in the red zone. So green zone good, red zone not good. So that thing is absolutely sending it, which is very nice. FFIE still kind of looks okay because we're slowly trending up, right? But that thing just needs to go. Like it just needs to go. Oh my god, look at MTC, guys. Uh, let's go. MTC got entered. Yeah, it's consolidating above 20, which is good for now. Beacon broke out, Kyle. Okay, I'll take a look. I will take a look. Ski. Highs of the day. Okay. Yeah, let's run it for 30 more seconds, guys, and then we're gonna do the giveaway. Cool, cool. Beacon. Beacons. Yeah, slow and steady. Slow and steady. That was the good breakout. 140 breakout. So let's see if we can stay above 140 for Beacon. And then you're looking for $1.50. $1.50. So you can kind of see how we're hitting that supply zone, the red zone for GTBP, and it's backing off a bit, right? So again, we've gone from the green zone to the supply zone and then a bit of a sell-off. Cool. Okay, are we ready to roll it? I think we're ready to roll it. Okay, so we can stop spamming the hashtag now. And let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway already. Okay, so the giveaway, the winner for the giveaway is, drumroll please, roll it, James Ranger. Let's go, James. Congratulations. Lex, what's better, Akanda or I'll take a look. I haven't looked at either of those names today. Do you guys see the beauty of the indicator and why it's being given away, guys? You see this? You see this? Look at that green zone. From the green zone, look at this beautiful green zone. From the green zone to boom, boom to the red zone, and look at it dipping now. It's like magic. Magic. So that magic. Congratulations, James. Well done. Congrats, congrats. No, 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 no. Yeah, you just got this. I just got Discord. Carry on. You did not. So again, if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Make sure you sign up for one of the levels that isn't sold out. So Discord community legend. Go scroll down a little bit. Alrighty. So again, come join us in Discord if you're not a member. Come join us. Come join us. Alrighty. Sheesh, I'm surprised MTC sold off like that though. Did they do an offering year or something like that? Let's go, James. Heck yeah. So James, send Rob a DM in Discord. So Rob at the very top, Robert, send him a DM with your TradingView username. Alrighty. Look at, you can kind of see like MMV pumping. Look at the algo bar at the top. The worst play on triple and barely broke even. Right? So another really cool feature of the algo, guys, is it will tell you like the buyers versus sellers, right? Look at that number at the very top. That's 116,000 shares being bought. Look at 19,000 shares being sold. Compare, like again, like comparing, right? So buyers versus sellers. Look at what the stock is doing. The stock is absolutely pumping, right? So that's a really good number there. So the buyers are slowing down a little bit. So we might go for a bit of a dip there. But again, that's really, really important, right? Look at that thing. 52,000 shares being bought, 4,000 shares being sold, right? Clearly, there are more buyers on MMV than sellers, right? Yeah, we're back to $2 resistance, so you want to be careful. And we're in that supply zone, the red zone. You want to be a little bit careful there, right? At some point, that's gonna flip over, and then you're gonna see more sellers, and then that's when it drops, right? Spy, yeah, it looks like we're just stalling at the top there, Troy. So again, 91,000 shares being bought, and a few more sellers coming in. A few more sellers coming in. Brand new candle, and then it resets. Resets. You can see way less buyers on this brand new candle, right? And there goes the drop. Look at that, right? Look at the sellers coming in there, right? Is it available in Discord? Yes, it is. Come on, James. Come on, James. Come on, James. What are you waiting for? Send me your email me your username, James. Email at the top. Uh, no, no, no. That's funny. It's actually halted up. Wow. Yeah, that's like the first green candle. Look at this damn thing. This is why we say, like, don't touch these stocks, please. Don't touch these stocks when they're selling up one, and also when they're below the 9 EMA. Right? Look at this damn thing. Like, it's red candle after red candle after. Don't touch it. Don't try and catch the bottom. Like, this stock just went from $12 to $3.24 without consolidating. So don't try and be like a superstar rock star hero and catch the bottom on these things. Don't do that, please. Right? Because you can go way lower than you think you can go. So yeah, so again, that red zone, right? The red zone for MMVs is a bit of an obstacle. You should have spammed it. It's breaking out. Choo, 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 choo. MTC is MTC. Sheesh, nasty looking chart. Yeah, Crown is stock. Crown is stock because FFIE isn't doing anything, right? So these penny stocks are just kind of stuck for now. So for now, we look for scalpies on in other areas, and then we come back. Sheesh, nope. Pop pop. Pop pop pop. Did we just make new highs today on the S&P? I think we just did actually. I think we just did. Sheesh, that looks nice. Can you look at G-Wave next move, King? Yeah, absolutely. Again, BCAN looks good, Kyle. So congratulations, G-Wave. Yes, I'll look at Sint. G-Wave doesn't look again. Unless FFIE explodes again, all these other penny stocks are just going to sit there. So G-Wave isn't doing anything. It doesn't look good, right? Because we're hitting lows of the day. Whenever a stock is hitting new lows of the day, don't like it, right? So your next little base is 14 cents, and then below that you have a problem because that thing could sell off all the way to 12 cents, right? Let me take a look at Sint. Uh, Since doesn't look too bad to me. This is basically a retest. So again, we keep talking about the algo and the supply zone, the red zone. Look at this red zone for the algo, right? The red zone is there to remind you that, hey, please be careful. Look at that, right? It's like, hey, red zone, please don't buy this thing in the red zone. Versus look at the green zone. It's like, hey, this looks okay, right? Green zone, green zone, green zone. So since would have been really nice below 10 cents here, right? Whereas if you're touching cents in that supply zone above 12 cents, you're asking for trouble. So cents doesn't look too bad here. If we can stay above, so 1060, if we can stay above that level, not too bad. Alrighty, so watch for 1060 for support. 1060, 1050, stay above that, and then okay, fine. And then turn back around. Can I take a look at Jeff Brands, JFPR? Sure. Sure. I know. I know day trading has been spamming this one in the chat. It's always hard for me to look at these things if I'm not sure what your position. If you're in a position, if you're looking for a position, because then the answer is not the same. You know what I mean? So, let's see. Yeah, the only problem is it really doesn't have any volume, right? If I wasn't in the position, and if I was looking for a position in this name, I would wait for that thing to come back to 39.40 cents is what I would be doing, or break above 50 cents. One of the two is what I would be looking for. Alrighty, cool. FFIE is trying, guys. Come on. MMV just stalling above close to $2 there. And the news in general. I think the markets look strong. I think we're going to keep ranging like this until we have NVIDIA on Wednesday. But I think the trend is clearly up. Like if you look at anything bigger on the S&P, the trend is up, right? Like it's up, 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 up. Yeah. So James, email me your TradingView username because I'm not going to remember in the chat. Do we get access to the bot in the legend level, Mike? Yes, you do. Yeah. Yes, you do. And then at some point it's only going to be like legends and goats. So the red zone, well, I mean, it's like 190, Adam. 190. $90. You got, oh, you did? Okay, perfect. Rob, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you. Because I missed a lot of the conversation. Okay, so Rob got it. Okay, are you ready? Are you guys ready for another giveaway? Are you ready? Well, okay, we need a few more likes, guys. Let's get to 400 likes and let's do another one. Let's get to 400 likes and let's do another one. So smash a like, guys. Let's get to 400 and let's do another giveaway. Yeah, the username seems a little bit different, James. Make sure that it's the again. So if you're not sure how to find your TradingView username, it's on the left hand side. So if you all the way on the top left on TradingView, you have like a symbol. Click on that symbol. It's going to give you your username. Alrighty. Yeah, you're going to swing it, Jeff. Yeah. Yup. Those guys need to do better. They need to do better. Holo. Um, yeah, we're just kind of playing games for now on this one. A 532. Yeah, the market just clearly looks like it wants to trend up, doesn't it? Miguel, yes, of course. Again, just let me know if you what your position is, and I'll take a look. Or if you're looking for a position. Honestly, again, let's since we have so many questions on these stocks, and I'm really not getting. Let's do a little bit of rapid fire. So just spam whatever ticker you want to spam in the chat, and I'll take a look. I'll take a look really quickly, and then we can move on. Alrighty. So let's do some rapid fire. Matthew, when you're in Discord, it's going to be in Stock General. Peggy, cool. Let's do some rapid fire. So Peggy doesn't look too bad. Peggy is actually green today, which is surprising because some of these other names are, yeah. So Peggy looks good to me. So as long as Peggy stays above 10 cents, I think you're fine. If Peggy breaks 13 cents, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. Oh my goodness. uh, CRKN. CRKN is consolidating for now. So let me quickly switch back to the other chart. So again, you can kind of see that we're sitting in a demand zone for CRKN. I like that we're getting some higher lows. So early this morning, we bounced up 1920, and then we dipped and we bounced up 20 cents, and then we dipped again, we bounced up 2070, 2080. So if we can maintain that for Crown, I don't mind it. It's looking better now because FFIE is also looking better, right? So if it can keep trending up, if it goes below 19 cents, we might be done for the day on Crown. All right. So cool. Okay. Next, let me take a look at GT. So GTBP. GTBP obviously pushed to that triple top, right? So right to that supply zone and then backed off. Your next little support is on this uptrend at $7.20. So if you're looking for position, you're looking for $7.20 ish with the tight stop loss, unless you just wanted to come all the way back down to this demand zone at 670. So anywhere between that range, that's kind of where you're looking for. If you're in already and it stays above that level, that's fine then. Alrighty. No, 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 no. 90 cents, Jason. AMC, Bobby. So AMC, I was hoping AMC would go for a bit of a bounce today. I mean, it kind of is bouncing, isn't it? So AMC bounced up $4.30 today, which is a good thing. Your next resistance is $5, but I like what I'm seeing. It's bouncing. I don't know if you're looking for position. If I was looking for position in AMC, which again, it does look good though. AMC does look good. Like we're slowly creeping up, right? So that looks nice. Again, like I said, your next resistance is $5 already. So anything above $4.50 for AMC is good. Okay, so G Wave. I think we talked about G Wave already. Mm, G Wave. Yeah, sometimes you look at the daily charts of these stocks and it makes no sense. So then you have to go to the 1 minute because they're meant to be played on the 1 minute. So G Wave, if you're looking for position in G Wave, I'd be looking for close to 14 cents with a stop loss. Like I would set that stop loss so tight, honestly, because it looks weak. It looks very weak. So I wouldn't give it too much room to go to the abyss. MIRA. Mira, that thing is up 37%, not bad. Highs of the day 96, cool. Okay. Coming off a nice bottom. I'm switching from the daily to the 1 minute because I want to see what it looks like on a big time frame, but I also want to look at what it looks like on the 1 minute, right? Because I look at the daily, I'm like, oh, it's still at the bottom. But then I look at the 1 minute, it's like, oh, it's at the double top. It's in the supply zone, right? So you have to look at multiple time frames. So if you're in this thing, Kel, if you're in this thing, it looks nice, right? Just put your stop loss and move it up, right? If you're looking for a brand new position, obviously again look to the left hand side, right? We have that double top at 95, 96, right? It's going to need to break above that. If you're not in a position, you need to wait for it to break above that. If not, wait for a dip to get closer to 80 cents, right? So for HOLO, MJ, you're looking for like again, you're looking for closer to $1.90, or you're looking for a breakout above $2.20 for position. 220 might honestly be best, but again, 190 is not bad with a really good stop loss. Alrighty. Uh, yeah, you have a lot of. I'm not sure if you're holding all of those. RSLS. RSLS. This one really doesn't have a whole bunch of volume, especially for penny stock. That volume might have come like in pre-market or at some point with these candles. Again, not sure if you're in a position. If I was looking for a position, I'd be looking for closer to 1940 already. Or if it's consolidating longer above 20 cents, then that's not too bad, Groot, as long as 20 cents holds. But if it's not holding that level, yeah, you're looking for the retest. Yeah, you're looking for the retest of this breakout, basically, right? Or closer to the 200 EMA, which would be good. Or if you're looking for like formal momentum confirmation of a push, you're looking for a break of 21 cents. Alrighty, SLNA Q. So this is another penny stock from last week, right? You can kind of see that we're just consolidating for now, like we're just going sideways. Again, I bet you the reason why all of these names are struggling, guys, all these penny stocks is because of FFIE. Like it's not doing anything. It's the leader of the space. So the other ones are just kind of going sideways too, right? So that's the tough part with like all these penny stocks is you have to go look at one to see what is. Again, if you're looking for a position, I'd be looking for closer to 9 cents, right? Or a breakout above 10 cents and hold is what I'd be looking for. CME. Why the CME uh, uh, GME? I think you mean because CME is anyways. You know what I mean. GME, like I've liked GME at $20, like closer to $20 as long as GME holds. I don't mind it. And then GME has a lot of resistance at 23. That thing breaks 23. I think we're gonna start giving some vibes. Alrighty. TUP. Sheesh, am I ever gonna catch up, guys? Am I ever gonna catch up? I'm never gonna catch up. We're gonna have to do this again. Oh my god, I'm so far from the bottom. It's not even funny. I'm so far from the bottom. Sheesh, my goodness, my goodness. Sheesh. Let's go back to MMV, guys. So let's pay attention to MMV for a second here, and then we can come back and continue. Because I'm never gonna catch up to all these tickers in the chat. There's still so many left. Oof. MMV looks nice, guys. Ooh wee. Yeah, it's halted up. If you're holding MMV, type in yes in the chat. It hit your stop loss. Where did you put your stop loss, Archer? What was your stop loss at? Let's take a look, actually. NKGN is also kind of looking interesting there, isn't it? This should Here you go. Let's go, Brian. Well done. Well done. Well done. Added a 19-cent green position. I'll take a look. Jimmy, 183. Well done. 182. You put your stop loss at 182. Okay. Yeah, your stop loss is in within the consolidation zone. It's one of those things you hope that doesn't hit, but it's within the zone, right? So then it hits. So yeah, that's okay. Honestly, that's completely fine. Because it's not a guarantee that it's going to on halt and keep going because it's halted below resistance. This thing needs to break above 205 if it wants to run more. Okay, are we ready for another giveaway? Did we make it? 400 likes? Okay, we're 50 likes away, guys. Come on, 50 more people smash a like. Let's do another giveaway. Let's do another giveaway. Yeah, Archer it is. What did you sell green though? Like, did you get out of that thing green? What are we doing here? Oh, there it is. Did anybody buy this thing, guys? Anybody buy GTBP? I bet you official did. So we talked about this one having the entry being at 720 ish, right? That thing dropped to 720. We weren't paying attention, and then it popped 780. Profits plus trading is the jeans. It's the jeans. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Um, Kidding. So yeah, that would have been a nice little buy. You do have resistance at 790 here though. Official, did you buy? Because I know you were looking. You did. Mr. Cat Lover, my cat loves me. Yeah. Okay. Uh, I must play soccer. It's been a long time since I played soccer, which I need to play again. Too many stonks. Not enough soccer. Anyways, waiting for this thing to on halt. And for FFIE, I'm still hopeful. I'm still hopeful as long as we stay above $1.50, as long as we stay above this green zone, right? So hopefully, come on. Can we bounce? I know this thing was 5 cents, but damn, can we get a run? Football. Yeah, official? Yeah. Perhaps. Perhaps. I don't like that. Don't like that sports pizza. CPHI. CPHI, MJ. Are you in a position? What did we say for playing this thing yesterday? I think we said 40 cents. Yeah, it's below 40 cents. So it's green for the day, but I don't like that it's below 40 cents. You're in there? Yeah. So for now, there's a double bottom at 34.50. So if we can stay above 34 cents, you should be okay, hopefully. Right? But I would have preferred to have that thing stay above 40 cents. You bought it. Okay, okay, good. Okay, you're basically at the double bottom, so that's not bad. That's not bad at all, MJ. So hopefully it pushes back to 40 cents. Alrighty. And we're waiting for this one to on halt. There we go. SPY. There we go. On halted. On salted, guys. So again, when something is halted at a double top like this, it's usually a problem every single time. Right? It's one thing to halt at a brand new high. It's another thing to halt at the exact same resistance. Right? So MMV is going to need to break above $2 if it wants to do 205 if it wants to go. It's halted down now. Right? You guys see the importance of the red zone. We keep talking about these red zones, right? Look at the red zone. I feel better now. You know when you sell something for a loss and you're like, damn, this thing better not go without me. And when it crashes, you're like, yes, unbelievable, Archer. My goodness. Yeah, so halted at 180. FFIE is not looking too hot, so Crown isn't looking too hot either, right? So if we break below 19 cents, then yeah, you have a problem at Ginger. 15%, okay. So not looking too hot. Too. 820. I'm just looking at some of these names here. See if there's anything that I like that we haven't talked about. Yeah, there's really nothing I see on these scanners that like we haven't talked about already. So there's nothing on here. Cool. Where do we find all these stickers? Honestly, it's chaos. Chaos in Discord. Oh yeah, exactly. Resistance sky. Brush is pumping. Yeah, I see the alert. BRSH brush. That's a really nice push actually. It's interesting though. Some of these penny stocks sell off, and then some of them don't sell off. You know what I mean? Like some of them crash because. Interesting. It's a good thing, I guess. It's a good thing. Yeah, brush looks good, 50%, and it's still going. Maybe today, yeah. Interesting. Brush. That's funny. Did you see that screenshot of Tesla's rank in the S&P? Number 492. Oh my goodness. These guys hate Tesla. Sheesh. GBP looks really good again. So that's 720. Ooh, gone skis. Right. So we're approaching that previous high again. So congratulations. You love Tesla? I know someone else that loves Tesla. The market looks suspect. You're done? Okay, Sky? Yeah. Sounds good. Yeah. I mean, Sky, you've had a good day today, right? So honestly, there's no need to, right? Unless something at the end of the day that looks really good, like, yeah, be done. Yeah, Virus loves Tesla. Funny how you know that already, grunting. MJ, what's your question for AMC? 815. It's deep in Tesla. It doesn't. Exactly. Profits plus trading. Yep. Oh, they usually pay. Puts on Tesla is easy monies. Yeah, Crown is not looking too good, is it? Not too good. John, that's kind of what we're giving away. That's what we're giving away. The like the setup. So we're gonna do another giveaway when we get to 400 likes, guys. So 40 more people smash a like. Let's get to 400. Come on, smash a like. Let's do another giveaway. Let's give away the algo. So what is this, number three? I think number three. Number three. So yeah, smash a like if you haven't already. No, 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 no. That's the indicator. Yeah. So yeah, Crown is not looking too good, is it? Right. So again, put those stop losses in there, guys. We had a lot of fun with this one last week, right? From 5 cents all the way to 60 cents. It was a lot of fun. Money was made, right? It's been looking a little bit increasingly weaker as the day has gone on, which is not ideal. But again, that's why we don't trust our beliefs. We trust the technicals, right? We put stop losses and then we move on. FFIE isn't looking too hot either, but at least it's still holding $1.50 for now. So let's see what happens. Off the double top, yeah. Wonder if we just sell off for the rest of the day now. Should have taken a short virus. Yeah, Kyle. Yeah, absolutely. Again, just put a stop loss. It will save you. Ready to poo? Yeah. Anyways, back to MMV, guys, because this one is the only one that looks like it wants to break out, right? My power went out in a position. Oh, Lordy Peter. Miss Lola, yes, GGEI. What's your position in that play? So $2 resistance. GTBP looks really good still, even though it's at resistance. You think so? FFIE? Yeah, for now, let's watch $1.50. Stay above $1.50, and then yes. My thoughts on an FFIE short squeeze. We can talk about a short squeeze if we get back above $2, guys. Right. So for now, we just hope that it stays above $1.50, right? And the shorts are never squeezed, by the way. The shorts are never squeezed. It's usually when, again. So if you really look at the data, Berkey, as GTBP looks really good. Oof, nice pop. We're back to $9 again here. Ooh, that looks amazing. There goes $9. Yeah, that $7 was beautiful. Right, from $7 to $9. Nice. I like it. Looking for you bought it at the bottom. What does the bottom mean? You're looking for the next line for resistance. Okay, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Yeah, I'll take a look. So congratulations if you're in this one. Just keep in mind though that we have been failing at $9 for quite some time now. A short squeeze. There goes 920. Oof. Is that the highs of the day? Yeah, it is, isn't it? 197%, guys, for this one. 197%. If you're holding GTPP, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're holding this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so Brian, make sure you send Rob your username or email. And then same thing for the second winner, James. Make sure you send your TradingView usernames in. Alrighty. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, so GTPP is halted up, guys. 929 halted up. Yeah, it's been salted, Dennis. All these other stupid plays are a distraction. That's what they said about AMC. Bobby, you sold at 929. Congratulations. Well done. Good job. Let's go, profits plus trading. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, no, yeah, this thing looks nice. Look at that beautiful level. And again, we talked about this, right? $7.20. That was the entry. So now it's finally halted above resistance. Let's see if we can keep going. How can I place a stop loss on BMO Canada? So you click on sell, Danny. Click on sell. and then it's going to give you a whole list, So it's going to say limit. It's going to say um, so some brokers in Canada have like different, just like they do in the States. So you want to click on the one that says stop market. It's going to give you a whole bunch of options. So again, limit sell, right? Stop market, stop limit, or trailing stop. It's going to give you all these options. The one that I usually select is stop market. Danny, already. Come on, FFIE is not looking too hot, is it? No, we're dipping again here. No, 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 no. Let's go, Derek. Let's go, let's go. 30 more people smash the like. Let's do the giveaway. 30 more, 30 more. Let's do the giveaway. Let me get you an invite here to join Discord. Derek, welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm just getting you a link here. Uh, yeah, stop market, quicker execution than stop limit. Yeah, exactly. Profit. I always use like stop market because if I should be out of a play, then I should be out of a play. Um, I'm not gonna say, oh, like I want to limit order, and then what happens if it skips over, and now you're screwed, right? So anyway, so Derek, welcome to the community. This is your invite at the bottom of the chat. Click that link, follow the steps in the getting started channel. Alrighty. Yeah, exactly. You become a bag holder or an investor. MTC got destroyed, guys. Oh my God, 61%. This thing was at $12. $12. Now it's at $2.70. This is why we don't diamond hand. This is why you get in a play, you figure out where your stop loss needs to be, and you set the stop loss, right? And as the stock goes up, you move your stop loss up, right? Because this thing was at $9 and then it popped to $10, to $11, $12. If you did not set your stop loss, that thing all of a sudden turned around and said, "Thank you for coming. Go back to work and bring more donations." Right? That's nasty. I don't know why it's dropping like this, but someone is destroying the stock. Yeah, brush looks nice. Brush looks really nice. Brush looks really, really nice. So it's just holding the 9 EMA and just trending higher and higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Yeah, bottom. Yeah, got bottomed out. Yeah, exactly. So don't try and catch the bottoms in these plays. And if you do, make sure you put a stop loss. Righty? Make sure you put a stop loss. There's a whole bunch of penny stonks here. There goes 21, 21, 22. Wait, when did I get in a position? Huh. Interesting. Na 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 na. There goes. There goes. Yeah, FFIE broke below 150. Not good, right? So, yep. Not good. So maybe we go back and retest that $1 level. Yeah. Crown isn't looking good. FFIE isn't looking good. And Brush is crushing it. Oof. Brush is just on fire. The new shiny penny stock. Next resistance 24 cents. Because we looked at this one last week and we were here last week at 24 cents, right? And we struggled at 24 cents. So it's going to need to break 24. No, 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 no. Yeah, GTBP is on halted now. On halted. And we're dropping a bit on that one. But anyways, yeah, Brush is testing 24 cents. Hey, Omo. What's up? What's up? La 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 la, Weibo. Yeah. Oh yeah, brush is like 24 cents. Send it. Will HOLO boom? HOLO will boom if it goes above $2.20. Right? The breakout. Anthony, again, just make sure you have a plan for your position, right? Don't just diamond hand stuff. I would honestly rather you have a stop loss at $1.70. That's what we mentioned earlier for brush for FFIE, right? Again, I mentioned this earlier. Like if you take a position, make sure you put a tight stop loss because you can always buy it back cheaper if it goes below support, right? So don't just sit there and diamond hand something that was 5 cents, please, because then we're gonna be crying for you. Anyways, brush 120%. Do I think it's gonna pop? I mean, it's popping, isn't it? Like, look at that, look at that. It's popping. 122%, 130%. It's popping. 135. Like, that thing is crushing it. So I'm not sure I understand your question about popping. Anyways, yeah, just be careful at 28 to 30 cents there. You know, another one's popping now too. SLNA is also on fire. So clearly, we're not done with penny stocks. Clearly, we're not done with penny stocks. Let's go. Nice, nice push. Nice push. Let's go. 20 more people smash a like and let's do a giveaway, guys. 20 more people smash a like. Let's do a giveaway. Praying they pops new. Yeah, no, looks good. Just make sure you move your stop loss higher and higher and higher, right? Just move the stop loss higher. Move the stop loss higher. Let's go. Let's go. More with the giveaway, guys. Let's go. Mo just gifted you guys memberships. So again, for all of you guys that just got gifted memberships, use that and upgrade because now you have a discount. Your membership just got a whole lot cheaper because of the gift, right? So Tyler, Chung, Jeffrey, Cody, Anthony, congratulations! You guys have gifted memberships. So now you have discounts to your membership. So just use that and go upgrade. And upgrade to the Discord level and then come join us in Discord. Anyways, there goes 28 cents, 29, 140% for brush. So that's a really good breakout. Yeah, that breakout was also right there at 18 cents. Yeah, nice. So yeah, 28 to 30 cents, usually where we kind of struggle, right? Was almost delisted. Ooh, I should have kept that position. Sheesh. Had a little short. Should have kept it. Okay. I did. I just sold too soon though. NBY seems interesting, doesn't it? NBY still seems interesting. That $13 would have been a really nice entry, actually. The NBY is pushing up a little bit here too. 16 cents. I know we've mentioned this one a few times, so maybe if we can dip ski a little bit. Chung, it depends. What did you get in ad? Do you have a stop loss? Yeah, like that thing is still dipping, right? This is what I mean. Like, put a stop loss, and then let's look at it when it's cheaper, right? When it's actually consolidating. Don't just hold a stock, right? You're buying more at these levels. Yeah, if that's what you want to do, that's completely okay, right? So, but just make sure that you at least have somewhat of a plan. Um, please and thank you. Yeah, look at Crown go, guys. Look at Crown. Crown is at 16 cents now. Why? Because it's following FFIE. So do not just diamond hand these stocks. We can buy them cheaper, or we can find something else to play with, right? So don't just be buying them and then adding more and then adding more and then adding more. These are not the type of stocks you add more to. So, anyways, yeah. So NBY looks interesting. GTBP is back to the highs again, which is impressive. FFIE just broke below 130, right? So it looks like we're going closer to a dollar. MMV, a lot of resistance at $2. So again, do not buy the red zone. Do not buy the red zone. Do not buy the red zone, please. Alrighty. And then the other one I want to look at is SLNA. Yeah, because that one's done really well too, actually. 15 cents. Anthony, you signed up for the wrong level. So again, when you join Discord, guys, you have to make sure you sign up for the level that says Discord Community Legend or Goat. So Anthony, just go back to the same link. It's only going to charge you the difference. Just upgrade. Alrighty. It's not going to make you pay for everything again. So yeah, brushes went from 28 cents to 21 cents. This is why, right? We lock in these gains or we move the stop loss up. So take a position, understand that you're holding a penny stock and it's trash, right? When you buy this thing at 20 cents and it's at 28 cents, there's no need for you to just to just watch. Put a stop loss at 22 cents, 23, 24, keep moving it up, right? Make sure you're getting paid on these stocks. So hopefully now it stays about 20 cents though. Yep, $1.26. FFIE new lows of the day. Crown is going for 15 cents, right? Sad day, yeah. Again, do not diamond hand these names, guys. Don't diamond hand them. Don't diamond hand them, please. Because again, it's filled with retail, and retail is going to panic, right? Panic, panic, panic. Chung, you see it going down, right? You're asking if it can go up. Oh my goodness, you guys are just signing up for the same level. I wish YouTube would comply and and close out these levels, but they're not. What does diamond hand mean? Diamond hand means you buy something and you hold onto it no matter what. You think you're holding a diamond, you don't want to sell it, but instead you're holding poo. Yeah. So that's why we say don't diamond hand, because you're not actually holding a diamond. You're holding your fingers are about to turn to mush. That's yeah. So, anyways, did we make it to 400 likes, guys? Time for a giveaway. Come on, 10 more people smash a like. Let's do a giveaway, guys. 10 more people. Let's give away the algo. Yeah, that was the whole GME AMC diamond hand stuff, right? Anyways, I've never again, unless you're diamond handing an investment like a company that gives you monies, unless you're diamond handing I was about to say Tesla, like an Apple, a Microsoft, a Google, a Facebook, these companies are proven to increase revenue and grow, right? Unless you're holding companies like that, um, you cannot be diamond handing other stuff, like especially not a penny stock, especially not a stock that's being hyped up by retail. Don't do that because you're gonna cry. Anyway, so 20 cents back to 27 cents for brush. Exactly, exactly plus profits, right? Like Facebook, Meta, everybody loves Meta. Pubsy, good afternoon. Thank you, Rocket. Thank you. Thank you for smashing the like, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. So FFIE seems to have bounced off $1.20, guys. Virus, yeah. So $1.20. So can we stay above $1.20 now? Anyways, brush is back to 28 cents. Your next breakout is at 28.70 and then 30 cents. In what, Sky? Huge halt? Oh, it's Sky. Yeah, you Yeah, you played with it in that like right at resistance too. You're supposed to be done, my guy. Supposed to be done. If we break above 2850 there, then you have it. You have a chance. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, no, we never actually did those, Sky. That's the problem. So if you look to the left hand side, you can see that pivot there. We never actually did break out. So then it just became a double top, right? That's the problem. The entry for MMV. So for MMV, it seems like we've been bouncing off 165 for now. So 165 is your first support. If you break below that, then you're looking for 145, and then $2 is your main resistance. Yeah. It depends. So I would look at your broker sky and see what it looks like it's going to open at, because there's usually a bid that it's going to open at. It most likely isn't $8.25. It's either higher or it's lower. So if it's way lower, then you don't want to just sell it market. So yeah, you want to look at that bid first. Yeah, 230. No, it's not. No, it's not going to be that low. Let's go Hurricane. If you're green for the day, type in yes in the chat. If you're green for today, type in yes in the chat. If you're green, type in yes in the chat. Do, 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 do. Sheesh, that's a really nice push there, actually. A really nice push. Spy came all the way back. Yeah, Hurricane, come on, come join us. About even, Bobby? Okay. Grunting? Yeah, not anymore, Sky? Dang it. Peggy looks like it's bouncing too. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You're forever right? Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Mm, let's see. Uh, Resistance. I'm just looking at a chart here. And then let's do. Uh, okay. Perfect. CISS. Yeah, the chart looks nice actually. The daily chart looks really nice, Gary Danny. Yeah, CISS just popped. Crown just had an aggressive pop too. Aggressive pop. CISS. Yeah, that's a nice push. We talked about this one last week, right? At $1.40, right? Yeah, that's a really nice low push. $1.80 now. Yeah, Peggy looks good. Peggy looks good. Anyways, Kay, we hit 400s. Let's do the giveaway, guys. Oh, three more likes. Let's do a giveaway. No, 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 no. Is it on halted? Yeah. So let's see what happens here now, Sky. Right. So let's see if it stays above $8. Alrighty. See if it stays above $8 and you get a bit of a bounce. Yeah. Yeah. Just be careful with the supply zones there, especially the closer you get to $10. Right. Really close to $10. It is trying to. It's really trying to bounce there. So hopefully you can get a really nice pop there. 840 almost. 850. There you go. Slowly coming back. Come on. 860. Oh, it's all over the place. Yeah, so you're gonna need a really nice run there. Brush is still stalling below 28, guys. So if you're holding brush, it's gonna need to clear that level. Can you look at MFI? You've been holding it today, 148, but I think it has that's resistance. I'll take a look, Gary. Yeah. I'll take a look. Uh, FFIE actually bounced really nicely off $1.20. Really solid bounce. Luis, yeah, CISS looks good. Looks really really good. Okay, let's do a giveaway, guys. So again, what we are giving away is access to the algo, right? So the indicator that I'm using already. So this is the third of five. Cool, cool. So keywords. Uh, la 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 la. Okay, so the keyword. Oh, that's yeah. Okay. I already put in the. I completely forgot, Rob. I put in a different keyword already. Okay, so we'll do that one next. So the new keyword, guys. Hashtag Robert. That's the new keyword. Super chats. 550 calls, MP. La, 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 335 contracts, MPW. Okay. Yeah, Peggy's crushing it. Peggy's crushing it. Hashtag Roberts is your keyword. So MPW. So you have some 550s, 550 calls. You should be green on those calls, right? You should be green on those calls, and it's coming off a really nice level actually. Yeah, it needs a bit more volume, but it looks okay for now. Depending on when those calls expire, JR. Yeah, 550s. So hopefully you can get in the money here soon. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. If you ever get above like 550, if that thing gets above 550, I think you're going to be in a really good spot. Alrighty. Let me take a look at Peggy. Peggy, 14 cents. Nice. It's a really nice push. Yeah, congrats if you're holding Peggy. Yeah, no, it's trending up. Like it's slowly curling. Did you sell it, Sky? You sold that thing, didn't you? Yeah. Hopefully, you didn't sell too far away from here, though. And hopefully, you didn't lose a whole bunch. Hopefully, that rebound kind of helped you out a little bit. Okay, so let's do another minute of that, guys, and then we're gonna run the giveaway. Kudos. What did you buy at? Go Peggy, go. Go Peggy, go. Yeah, we came back below 14 cents, Steve. Back below 14 cents. Peggy. Let me take a look at some of these other names here. So PRST looks good. Looks good. Brush still looks okay here. We're holding 24 cents. Peggy with a bit of a struggle below 15 cents. CISS coming back down. What does HOLO look like? What does HOLO look like actually? Oh, that's because there's two of them. That's fine. Yeah, I should have kept my long position from earlier today. Just kept it. Should have kept it because that thing looks nice. Yeah, SPY broke all-time highs by 1 cent. Yup. I should have kept my position. Damn it. Sheesh. New all-time highs, guys. That just seems to be the direction, right? Market go up. Market go up. Holo 190 again. Yeah, that thing is just going sideways. NBY looks good actually. NBY looks good. 17 cents. 42%. The high of the day is 1740. So let's see if we can break above that. 1740. Again, beautiful demand zone right there, right at 13 cents. So if you took that, congratulations. Vision has it finished dumping? Not sure. I'll take a look. I would take a look ski. MTC. My goodness. I mean, it kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Like it's holding $2 now, maybe. It's minus 66%. Sheesh. Yeah, I don't know if we're even gonna know if when this thing is done dumping vision. So we're just taking potential like little gambles, right? So the next resistance is 240 now, right? And then support at $2. Ready? CYN, MJ. What about it? What's your question? Again, guys, I cannot really answer. When you spam a ticker in the chat, like I don't know what the question is. I don't know what you're asking for. Okay, let's do the giveaway. So the winner for the giveaway, the winner for the giveaway, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Grunting. Let's go. Let's go, grunting. Congratulations. Me. Where's that? Where's grunting? Let's go. Congratulations. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. DM Rob your TradingView username. Congratulations. So two more to go, two more winners to go. Two more winners. Two more winners. Yeah, maybe it's a good thing that you sold that thing, Sky. And yeah. No. Do. Okay. My best decision, Eagle Eye. Let's go. Absolutely. So yeah, it doesn't look like we're really breaking above 28 cents for brush resistance. Okay, let me go back to NBY because NBY does seem to have a little bit of attention. Yeah. So yeah, a lot of resistance at 17, 17, 20, 17, 30 for NBY already. So if we can break above that level, then that would be good. That would be good. Oh yeah, it wants to go, doesn't it? To get it? What do you mean? Oh yeah, there goes 18 cents for NBY. This is looking good. If we can close that candle above 17.20 and then just push it. $0.18. Yeah, no, exactly. Like I said, if we break below that bottom at 19 cents, most likely done for the day. You cannot buy it. You can only sell it. Maybe that's a sign. I'm kidding. 7 cents. Nice. Yeah, I mean that's why we use these stop losses, right? And then KO, and then we buy back cheaper if we have to. 1250. 1250. Interesting. Best app service to day trade on for new people. I would say either Webull or Robinhood. Kudos. Robinhood, or again, some of you guys don't like Robinhood, so Webull seems to be the standout. But I think for new people, that's the only reason I say it, because it seems very simple. Very, very simple for most of you. You know? Blaze like Trade Station? Since when? TradingView. But this is just that. This is TradingView is just for technical analysis. La, la, la. MMV? What do you mean? I don't understand your question, Gucci. Potentially NBY for breakout official, but just kind of watching for now. 190-ish if we can stay above the that 185, or just wait for a break above 220. 220 will be the breakout Kodai, so that might honestly be better. Getting a breakout, right? Because then momentum is kicking in. Sarah says, should I buy FFIE right now? So I would look for closer to $2.20. I would not let it go below a dollar after that point, though, Sarah. Because if it does, then we're sitting in no man's land already. Uh, yeah, Gary. Yeah, it's simple. You did? Okay. There you go, Sky. Are you back? Are you back in the green now? Are you back in green or? Watch the S&P go from new all-time highs straight to the abyss. Maybe we should have taken a short. Straight to the abyss virus. Okay, good, Sky. Good comeback. Good comeback. That's not too bad. That's the same amount of money you used on almost the same amount of money you used on that show. Okay, I was watching that show with somebody else, Sky, and I was like, "Why the hell is Sky spending all the money? Since when was a lettuce worth?" Anyways, why? That was really nice, though. That was really nice. Very efficient. Yeah, no, Peggy's bouncing back above the VWAP. Again, same resistance at 15 cents. Bobby, whoever asked. Crown Eden, are you in a position? Are you holding it, or you're looking for a position? No, it was on Amazon. It was like on it was on Amazon, but then it wasn't really on Amazon because you had to pay for it to watch it, which was really silly. But yeah, it's like one of those shows. No, 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 no. Let's see. Seriously, bro. Seriously. Okay. Dan, you lost on MMV. Yeah, I like what NBY is doing. Yeah, it's slowly creeping up. So this one seems to be a standout for me for now. Alrighty, so if we can stay above that 17, our next resistance is 19. We are really close to that supply zone though. That's because of that pre-market resistance. So, but I like what it's doing though. There we go, 1850. There we go, 18. Ooh, you guys are FOMOing. You guys are FOMOing. You guys have 19 cents. There it goes. So yeah, 20 cents and obviously resistance, right? 20 cents resistance. Ooh, SPY's dropping like a tomato. Why am I not surprised? why am I not surprised? Almost expected that. 20 cents, guys. 69 cents. So NBY does look right. If you're in this, make sure you move that stop loss up. Move the stop loss up. Move the stop loss up. Please move the stop loss up. There we go. 21, 21, 21 going once, going twice. Send it. There we go. 21 broken, 22 cents, guys. Ooh, we're flying now. 22 cents. If you FOMOed into NBY, type in yes in the chat. Make sure you don't go red, please. If you FOMOed into this, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. Insane, insane grunting. Monies. Let's go, Sky. Hopefully you made that money back. Please and thank you. Yeah, so again, make sure you move that stop loss up because again, we pump quick, we crash quick, right? We most likely come back and retest like that 19 because 19 was the breakout, and then maybe we curl back up again. Hopefully not, obviously. But Crown is also bouncing now too, actually. Almost back to above 19 cents. I wasn't on live. Oh, that's okay, Gucci. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. There you go. You want to focus on FFIE? Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, you sold one because you want to focus on the other one. So here comes a retest, guys. Right? There's always a retest. Right? Very rare do we just break out and go bye bye. Right? We break out, we pop, but then at some point we come back for the retest. So yep. Of shorts. Let's go, Joe. What done? What done skis? Oof. Monies. Monies. Already, but I will get your money back. Okay, good. That damn thing is back above $9. But again, so it basically stayed above that hold price, though, right, Sky? Like it stayed above it the entire time, which is why you don't want to just dump in market because if it's opening right and it's opening at the same price and it just sits then like there's no point in you selling it anyways. Kind of seemed like it's kind of almost seems like a double bottom and then pop. Wow, 940. Sheesh. Stuff like that pisses you off, doesn't it? Yup. Yup. Very annoying. What can you do though? Holo, what's Holo doing? Yeah, Holo isn't doing anything, right? Holo is still in that same range, same range. So there's really nothing new to see for Holo, right? So it seems to be holding a beautiful demand zone though at like 185, right? So maybe just make sure you have a really tight stop loss below that, and you should be okay. NBY came back for the retest and it's holding for now. Seriously, this is why you want to lock in these gains on all these penny stocks. You want to lock in the gains. This is why, because then it looks really good, and then all of a sudden it's crashing again. Right? Secure your monies. Put a stop loss, please. Stop losses, please. Please. Yeah, 950, 960. I think it's almost back to the highs of the day. Sheesh, Sky. Yeah, that's pretty annoying, isn't it? 970. Yup, it's impressive the way that this thing keeps coming back. It's very impressive. Very impressive. Are you guys ready for another giveaway? Let's do another giveaway. So again, we're giving away the algo for a week. Yup. Let's see. And there goes $10. Oh my goodness! Wow. My goodness. Sheesh. I bet you Sky FOMO'd already and made that money back though. I'm not surprised. Sky, you scalped it? I'm not even surprised. I know you made that money back. I know you made the money's back. $100 left? Okay, good. Yep. I know we are kind of done with that crown, but are we? Um, I wouldn't completely count out those names, right? Let's see this way that decides to consolidate at Ginger. Maybe tomorrow or the following day we're going to be playing with them again. For now though, they seem weak, so we ignore for now. Alrighty. For now we ignore. Yeah, like HOLO looks very weak, very weak. So hopefully it decides to find the base here, right? Hopefully. Why can't you be in those when they go up like that? You will be at some point. At some point, you will be. Uh, a 50 retest maybe. There we go. Yeah, mine is 80%. Mine is 50, 58. Yeah. Okay, so new giveaway. Okay, let me set it up here really quickly. Cancel. Settings. I'm gonna spell it properly, so you guys don't mess it up. But you know what it means, though. Uh, the keyword is send it. Hashtag send it. Alrighty. Hashtag send it for the giveaway. So technically a double top, yes, Sky. Technically a double top. Hashtag send it. What stock should we buy now? Obi, come on. Go buy. See, I don't even. I wanted to say something. I actually wanted to say it, but I shouldn't be saying stuff like that on YouTube lives already. Shouldn't be saying stuff like that on YouTube lives. Go look at NBY closer to 16 cents. Thank you for the super chat, Obi. Alrighty, go look for that one. Cool. Hashtag send it, William. What is that? Okay. Make sure. Here we go. Yeah, FFIE is back above 150 here. Not too bad. Not too bad. I just need to move a stop loss. More stop losses. Actually, yeah, this is not looking too bad. Yeah, Crown is back to 20 cents. So again, you can kind of see how like FFIE and Crown, they're both moving together. Moving together. Next resistance 155 for FFIE. Okay, 30 more seconds and then let's do the winner. You passed the 250, Joe? Congratulations. Congratulations. Joe J, what's your position in Brush? Are you in it? So tell that thing filled at 28 cents and then went all the way to the abyss, right? So I kind of like it between like 17 to 16 if we can stay above it. I'm not sure if you're in it though. Let me know if you are. Let me know if you are. 860. Choo, 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 choo. Let's see. Spy is about to bridge. Oh yeah, that thing looks very sus, doesn't it? Very, very, and unless we bounce up the 50, yeah, actually, virus. Crazy. From highs of the day. There we go. Is MTC bouncing now? Yeah. So there goes Brush. Brush consolidating a little bit there. Build back better. Yeah. I'm always gonna look at FFIE as long as we stay above $1. I think there's a chance. As long as we stay above $1, there's a chance. Versus streams, there are more like concrete ideas in there. Whereas on stream we're looking at random stuff, right? So, anyways, 24/7, yeah. Sheesh. Oh, the bottom for HOLO was 185. Okay, yeah, that was that fat red candle at the open. Fat red candle at the open. Uh, no, 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 no. Interesting. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let me roll. Let me do the giveaway, guys. So let's do the giveaway. The winner is explicit. 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 Congratulations, explicit. I'm just distracted, looking at a whole bunch of other stocks here. Explicit. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Congratulations, explicit. Whoever that is. Send it to the bridge. Before it hit the 200. Dang. Waiting for 200. Yeah, that's annoying. That's very annoying. Congratulations. Let's see actually. Let's do it, guys. So 5 more minutes, guys, and then I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna hop off already. 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna go to Discord and continue in Discord for a bit, and then we're gonna come back. Alrighty. So I just have to get some work done, some other work done, some one-on-one. Let's go. Alrighty. So we will be in Discord for a bit, and then we're gonna come back on stream. Oh dang, that thing looks amazing. GTBP. Oof, what a pop. Brush is also kind of curling off from 17 cents, which isn't too bad. Nice. That thing just popped and dropped. Sheesh. My goodness. 10 cent fake break, $10 fake breakout. Yeah, so we're gonna hop off and go to Discord for a bit because I have to do some one-on-ones um, already, and then we're gonna come back on stream, and then we're gonna go to the till the market closes. Cool. So again, if you're not a subscriber yet, just make sure you hit that subscribe and turn on the notification bell. We're going to be in stock general. I'm going to try and send some signals at the same time as we're doing one-on-ones and other stuff. And then, so again, 5 more minutes. So if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Click the link at the bottom of the chat here from Nightbots. Make sure you sign up for the right level. Alrighty, Discord community legend or goats, and then come join us. Alrighty, so 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna hop off. And so oh yeah, no, Sky and Rob are in that channel already. So unless yeah. Na 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 na. Or Mara on the wall. What are you criminals doing?
What's up, Blaze? Bro, I just got entered on that GTBP drop.
Oh, again on this last one?
Yeah, so now I'm down $300 again.
Dang. Okay, I'm about to.
I totally thought it was gonna fucking pump past $10.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, let me hop off the stream here. Okay. No. Yeah. So
I still feel like it's gonna fucking jump back.
Yeah.
Where is it?
That 950 right now.
Oh yeah, that's not that 90 EMA. Yeah, it holds. It might.
Okay, so that's kind of what we do on we do on a one-on-one. So we live trade together, right? So if you have the gold membership, that's what we do. So if you're not a gold member yet, become a gold member. Obi, welcome to Discord. Welcome. I thought you were connected already, Obi. For some reason, maybe not. But anyways, Obi, if you're not in Discord, this is your invite at the bottom of the chat. Yeah. 1516, Justin. GME broke below. Yeah, I don't like GME below $20. Yeah. Again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord because let's go crush it. Let's go make some monies. Let's go make some monies already. So if you do become a member When the stream is done, just send me an email and I'll send you an invite. Other than that, be safe, guys. Again, much love. Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate it. We're going to be back in like 2 hours. Alrighty. Just again, make sure your notifications are on. 2 hours or something like that. And then go to the market closes. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Thank you, Bobby. Thank you. Crypto stream. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Again, much love. Thank you very much. Be safe. We'll be back soon, and catch you guys in a bit. Alrighty. Okay.